Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. How's everybody doing out there? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Don't forget, tomorrow we got some big news coming out. Right now, Nikkei's down 144. Cosby gapped up, still up about 81 points at the moment. So, hey, ready, good evening, Miss K. Gotta flip these screens around. I'm still playing musical screens. I've not settled on how I like it yet. Getting close. Yeah, Jobs Friday. So if you're wondering, want to make sure you had no news tonight. Tomorrow. So this is, if you are trading with a prop firm, be well aware. Do they have a news rule? If so, the news at 8:30 tomorrow would be one you'd have to be flat for. So average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, and the unemployment rate. So let's see. Excuse me. So let's see how this all going to shake out tonight. Yeah, good day. After the stream, I ate lunch and I went out e-foiling. And there's a whole bunch of jet skis out where I was at. So I went down the beach. Like I rode the e-foil down the beach. And all of a sudden I see a couple of people out there looking. They're pointing like, are they pointing at me? Then all of a sudden I see a fin come up. I was like, oh, it was a dolphin though. But when I first seen that fin, I was like, and it was probably, I don't know, 10, 15 feet away. So I was a little bit nervous when I first saw that fin. I was like, oh boy. So pretty upset too. I left my camera here. I wanted to go film it. It would have been a perfect day, but I left the camera here. So unintentionally. Base hits all the way. Yeah, let's go. So it had a pretty good move up tonight. You can see 3 times we've hit the deviation bands. One there, boom. One there, boom. Actually, 4 times. One there, little pullback, and then here, all the way back down the VWAP. So what are we going to do tonight? We shall see. $666. Oh boy. Let's see. Where's the volume? Oh, we still have that point of control up there at 8:30. Are we going to make it down? Are we going to make it up there tomorrow when the news comes out? Or even tonight? Do we get some kind of crazy reaction? Are we going to find out we have a deal? Because right now, crude oil is not saying we're about to have a deal. If we look at crude oil. And don't forget, guys and gals, smash that lucky like button. But crude oil right now is up 90 cents on the session. On the daily chart, you can see us trying to move up here a little bit. So I am kind of curious with this. I feel like I should have shorted that NASDAQ maybe. We're going to have to get to 300 likes. And then you have to be signed to the email list. And then we'll do a duck race. Ew, I just chased this sucker too. Golly, I'm going to regret this. I am going to regret this. I chased this all the way down. Oh my goodness. Way far away from the EMAs. Oh boy. And we're going to vote to see what position we want to be the winner. So it doesn't necessarily mean duck won. So we'll do a poll. And whichever duck that you guys vote for, when that number comes in, I'll be the duck that wins. So. Hey, Mongo, what's up? Now I gotta go log in and smash the lucky like button myself. I feel I'm gonna get stopped out here. I deserve it. If I get stopped out, I deserve it. I chased that. Caught it out of the corner of my eye on my other screen and jumped in it. Pure FOMO trade. Hey, let's see if it wants to go though. Let's see. If we can turn back down here, I'm gonna move my stop. Just gonna trail these wicks. Trail the wicks of the candles. See what we can get out of it. Hotkey isn't working. Dang it. Oh, we got into being oversold. I gotta get my friggin' hotkey didn't work. That was a good trade though. Oh, hold on a second. Oh, yeah. Had it muted. So that was a pretty nice trade. My hotkeys weren't set up. I don't know if I just heard a transformer blow or somebody let fireworks off. I don't know. It was pretty loud. We'll see. Still coming down here a bit. Now let's watch it. If we get down to this deviation bands, do we try to bounce back up? Bounce, 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 bounce. So all the NASDAQ's the only indice in the green right now, up 41 points. So hopefully I have sound. Ian, I was going to go, or I FOMO'd in that trade. I was going to go smash that lucky like button myself. See if I can help contribute to getting to our 300 like counter goal. Been slacking a little bit this week. Let's see if we can get it. See if we can get it tonight. Right now, I'm going to be lucky number 36. So I likes it. Number 36. Well, let's go. Hey, Adam, what's up? What's up? Hey, Raj. Now, let's look. So to the upside, one of the targets I would watch would be 830. But if you guys remember last night, you know, what were we talking about? I staged an order before we left the stream. Right here at 406. 406 was hit this morning before I came on stream. And then I ended up getting out. I think I made 60 something points on it. Japan's intervening again. Oh boy, let's go see. Hopefully they don't sell US bonds. Oh yeah, there it goes. Oh, that's a daily. I don't see him intervening right now. You see the yen's still going up, so I don't think they're not intervening right now. Maybe they're gonna intervene. Yeah, I see where it talks about they've already intervened. I see that news now. But, you know, are we going to come up towards this point of control, or are we going to start working our way down towards the 50% level? We did hit the other structure breakout point we're talking about on the live stream this morning. Right there. We came right into that zone. Market rejected hard right out of it. Come down there again, we're probably going to break through it. Now, the next zone below that, oops. The next zone below that would be something like this. Would be all the way down here. So 128 down to 107. Now we are into the deviation bands right here. Badly ready for, and we'll see if we end up dumping or not. So I haven't traded any of the prop accounts tonight, unfortunately. I'm trading them very, very conservatively today. Didn't trade them this afternoon. I was out in the water, so I don't know, man. The prop firms got so competitive. It's really, really close nowadays. You know, my fund of futures just launched the rapid EOD account, 50K. I picked up 3 of those yesterday on stream. I think those are going to be pretty good accounts. Take Profit Trader, of course, they have the best. I don't know, man. They're my fund of futures latest account's pretty close, but you can only get it in the 50K account. So it's tough. I would say definitely Take Profit Trader, Lucid, My Fund of Futures, Tradeify. If you want a lot of leverage, Apex. Probably the top 5 out of all the prop firms out there. I mean, they're just... Lucid has some amazing plans. Apex still has the leverage with 20 accounts. So... can't really beat the leverage. And right now, Apex has a massive sale too. It has intraday drawdown, but if you blow up a lot of accounts, you can get a 50K account for like 19 bucks. So, yeah, let's be smart tonight, TF. I agree. So that last trade, I FOMO'd into it. I was trying to do something else. I caught it out of the corner of my eye. I was like, I started chasing it. Yeah, but I mean, if you do go live, right? Isn't the goal as a trader to go live anyways? I trade my live funds every day. So I don't really understand the whole... You may not be live with 20 accounts because Tradeivate does not allow that. They max you out at 5 accounts. I'm sitting in the same spot from this morning. Yeah, I'm lucky. I got some exercise today. I get to go out in the water. I love the water too. It was so fun. I was upset when my usually lately I've been when I ride the e-foil, by the time the battery's dead, I'm ready to get off and go start loading up, come back home, all that stuff. Today I wish I had another battery. I was having a pretty good time. Hey, but my watch, I almost lost my watch. I didn't put my water band on. So my watch, one of the times when I fell off, my watch was hanging just like this. And I mean, it almost came all the way off. I was like, oh boy. Like it almost came off. So I didn't have the water band on. I forgot to take it. I forgot that and I forgot the camera. So we've had the pump, and keep in mind, what was the pump all about? The pump that we've been getting in the market, what's it all about? It's all about, we're going to have a deal any hour or tomorrow. Well, all the hours have come and gone. Tomorrow's come and gone. And Iran saying, hey, we ain't got we'll do exactly like the MOU. That's it. So, are we going to come back down? We may. VIX was down today, 4%. So SPY on the daily. Look, breakout. Looks like we're trying to come back and retest the breakout point. We have two, one here and one a little bit lower. We still got a lot of gaps too. So on the 30-minute chart, we filled the gap yesterday, but what about these two other gaps right here? If we were to pull a fib retracement, swing low, all the way up here to the swing high, 38% retracement would fill this or be close to filling this next gap. Yeah, dump into the weekend. All it's going to take tomorrow is Trump to come out and say, we're gonna put him back in the Stone Ages. And down we go. Yeah, I did all right today. I think I was up 3K. All the prop accounts were up. Not big days. The prop accounts. The new MFF accounts, I messed up on the copier. When I set the copier up on those accounts, I linked them with other accounts and I messed up. I did it for do half the size of the leader account. So they only had one micro on, but one micro made $200 in them. In the Tick Profit Trader accounts, they made about 741 each times 5. The Apex accounts made 152. And it's good to know. I'm not connected to Lucid. Lucid and Tradify made about 311 today. So it wasn't bad. All right, now down to these deviation bands. Should we look for a long? Or should we look for the market to continue down? Look, that ES really looks like it wants to give it up right here. ES looks like it wants to come back down and break. All this consolidation was for a move down. More consolidation. Are we going to break and go lower? I don't know. I think it could happen. Hey, Mr. Traders. What's up? What's up? So I wouldn't mind getting a couple more trades fire off, but I do want to be careful, especially with so Meta's going to appeal. Meta got a thing against them. I want to be careful because if I do an overnight trade, if it doesn't hit target before the news comes out tomorrow, that could put me in a bad spot. It's all fake. Yeah, peace war every week. We won the war. We're going to blow them back to the Stone Ages. Oh, we almost got a deal. A deal any hour. This is exactly how they strung us along that 1 week. I can't remember when it was. And they pumped the market all week long, even into the next weekend. And then, next thing you know, the fighting resumed. So NASDAQ did try to break down here a little bit. Almost FOMO'd into it, but I did not. We had all this consolidation here. We broke. Regression channel is still pretty steep here. I'm not long or short. I took a short earlier. It was a decent short. I don't know how many points I got on it. Could have got more. I kind of FOMO'd into the entry. So I think I made about 27 points on the trade. 27 points on the NASDAQ. Not too bad. Now we are in these deviation bands, so I want to be careful about trying to short. We have the regression channel sloping down though. Then when the news come out tomorrow, we got, I feel like the numbers, they're not looking for big numbers. 85,000 jobs. So previously it was 57,000. What I want to look for tomorrow morning, we'll talk about this on the stream in the morning, but do they revise this number down or up? I want to see if that number changes. So we'll see. DK now down 381. Cosby is only up $4. So NASDAQ's still trying to go a little bit lower here. And let's just look at this. If we look at the 4-hour profiles. So if I pull a fib just from this last leg on the ES, 38% retracement's all the way down at 76.71. If we do the whole entire move, it's going to be about 76.31. We have the catalyst tomorrow that could bring us down towards those 38% retracements. Yeah, get money from the market run. Oh, sell-off just tonight. I don't know why, but the sell-off today I ran was, spouting off. We ain't got a deal. Tell Trump to quit with the theatrics and just live up to the MOU. So they don't want to make no deal. All right, hey, I'm going to jump in on 2 micros. I just jumped in on 2 MNQs. We're coming off the deviation bands down here. I want to see if we can clear this area here. Maybe playing back up towards VWAP at 55. So let's see if we can get back up towards 55 up here. So that could be that big of a trade for him. That's pretty small for point-wise for the micros I usually go for. Usually I want 50 points or more. 30 is the minimum I'll take. This will be about 32, 33. So let's see if we get it. They're ripping it right now. Well, you guys can't hear it. We know if you guys can hear it. We had a problem with the sound earlier. The scalping, best time ever. Yeah, you got single stock futures. Actually, I think they're already out. They're already out. I haven't even pulled up a quote for one yet. See what the volume's like. Come on, let's come up a little bit more here. Let's get it. Let's get it. I peel one off. See if we can get a little bit more. So let's come back down and close it. There we go. I'll close it. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Market. So there's the total trades I took right there. So not bad. Not a bad little scalp with some micros. Obviously now I wish I would have did mini, but we're trying to do a giveaway tonight. I need you guys to help me out with that like button. 300 likes and we're going to do the Take Profit Trader account giveaway. So Might sound like a lot, but we've already had 300 people through the chat. Which means if everybody would have pushed that like button, we'd be there already. Hoping this weekend to get everything dialed in like I want. I appreciate that. Thanks for smashing that like button. Now look, do we get a rejection right back from view app and go back down? Short term, we did come in to be an overbought. Manipulation is crazy. That's what they do. Hey, King, what's up? What's up? I don't mind this for a short up here. For a little scalp short, I wouldn't mind it, but I didn't take it. Yeah, I was trailing the stop earlier tonight. Well, I don't always trail a stop. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Like I FOMO'd into this. It was a pure FOMO trade. Like, well, at least the entry was. I was looking at something else. I was like, and I jumped in. I was already looking at it. Then I just FOMO'd into it. So, right there. There's why I entered. But then what I did is I just kept trailing my stop above these wicks. Then right there, I got dinged out. So, whatever. It is what it is. Is what it is. Let's see. Yeah, I'm trying to be careful. I don't want to get myself into a situation before the news tomorrow. So I want to be down and try to climb myself out of the hole. And Fridays, I never want a down Friday. I don't ever want a down day, period. But I definitely don't want one on a Friday, because then it's just going to wreck my weekend. So. All right, Nikkei right now is only down 264. It's trying to bounce a little bit. Kospi is only up 273. Trying to go back down. Hey, where did SpaceX close today? Yeah, SpaceX up $6 today. It's down 80 cents in pre-market or after hours. NASDAQ's trying to come back down here. Oh, nice. Good job on that, Eddie. Yeah, Tape Out Trader has sped it up. AM session went pretty good, the boss, other than right before, like I was right as I came to the stream to set it all up. I get everything set up like literally 8 minutes before I come on. The camera's not working. Oh boy. I'm trying to reset everything, get it going. Can't, so I had to get the other camera out. I knocked the light. The light wasn't in the right place and the light was in my eyes, but I didn't trade too bad. Say above opening price will go higher. Well, I believe right now the only indice that's up is the NASDAQ. So we saw the regression channel sloping down. This wouldn't have been a bad short up there. I didn't take it. Now I want to be on the lookout on the 1 minute. Are we trying to set up an ABC pattern on the way up? Hey, on the retracement, we just can't go much lower. But we start coming back up. We have the potential for an ABC pattern up, which will bring 29,591. So like we start looking like we're coming up. We get up around here. I'm probably going to look to start playing that 591 area. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'll say, actually, maybe I'll throw another. I'll put one micro on, and then DC8 down a little bit. But then I said, let me wait. All right, we went too low, so no ABC pattern here. We can disregard that. Institutional community is holding the NQ up. Yeah, they won't be able to hold it up forever. Short term, we did get to be oversold again. And let's watch. Do we get another bounce out of these deviation bands? Yeah, I'm kind of curious. What is the overseas? Hey, Nikkei dumped back down 480. Kospi's down 26. HSI will open up here in about 45 minutes. So don't forget to go ahead and boop that like button. Bink. Yeah, I'm going to put one micro on. This one, I'm going to put one micro on. We get down these deviation bands, I'll add the second one. And I'm going to try to target all the way back up here towards this swing point. Anywhere from the candle wick to the candle body up here. So we'll call that 572 to 575-ish. Let's see if we can make it back up there. That's going to make me mad. I didn't put 2 on. Hey, Gary, I appreciate that. The Lucid Pro does have consistency. The Lucid Flex does not have a consistency once you're funded. So the big difference, well, there's 2 big differences. One is the payout, but the consistency. So the Flex has a consistency in the evaluation. The Pro does not. Once you're funded, the Pro has a consistency of 40%. The Flex does not. Then the way they pay out, the Pro, you have to be over a buffer that you can request a payout after 3 days. I think you have to trade at least 3 days. And then the Flex account, you can get a payout every 5 days, but you can only take out 50% of your profits. And you have to have 5 days where you made X amount. Let's see if we can pump it up to that level. Hey, Larry, what's up? What's up? I did pretty good. I felt even better after I went out on the e-foil today. Other than when I seen that dolphin, I seen people looking on the beach and pointing. I thought they were pointing at me. Because a lot of people, the e-foil gets a lot of attention. When you get out of the water, like, how's that thing flying out of the water? And then a dolphin goes, just rolls. I seen the fin come up. I was like, oh, it's a dolphin. No trades this week. Wow. Yeah, I've never had a week where I didn't place a trade. Even if I'm on vacation, I trade every day. On vacation, I just spread out my time frames though. So I'll tend to take higher time frame trades, 30-minute to 40-minute charts, things like that. And I have enough margin to hold it past 5, so I don't have to be out before the market closes. See if we can add to this. We need a little bit more of a pump up. AES is now in the green too, up 75 cents. Now, it would be really nice is if we could actually get a quick squeeze and actually get all the way over this zone and get up here. But I don't want to get crazy with it. I don't want to get too crazy. Oh, hey, String B, I appreciate that. Thanks for smashing that like button. Hey, String B, are you saying you're sick as an animal or your animal is sick? I hate when pets are sick. That's rough. Yeah, it did. It pushed to 30,000. Did it look above failure? 100%. Doesn't mean I can't scalp a little bit here and there still. Oh, 17-year-old cat. Yeah. The trades this week, you don't care? I got a couple on the deviation bands. I got 2 different videos. Let's see. Let me find it. I think that would be better. Let me find the other one. I'm trying to come back down here. Might give a chance to add to it. I see it put me in the red. Jokers. Yes, back in the red, down $4. NASDAQ's trying to get red. Oh, there you go. Still up 20 points. Huh. I did not find it. I think I overlooked it. Oh, right here. I think here's the video showing them. I mean, I don't doubt that it'll go below 29,000. I don't. Doesn't mean I can't scalp it along the way. You know, the bigger picture, I don't really care where the market goes. A lot of people think I care. I really could care less. Up $17. Yeah. Hey, King, it's like that sometimes. When it's tough, it's tough. So we have the deviation bands we're trying to come into. We can see them a little bit better over here on this chart, a little bit bigger. So if we get down the bands, I'm probably going to add to that micro. If we get down in there. If we don't, then I'll just have one contract. I mean, price range matters, but you know, if let's say that NASDAQ's going to go up or down 1,000 points, do you think it's going to do it one candle, or can there be ebbs and flows in there? So I'm just trying to get a little bit of little slice of the pie and get off. So wherever I think the easier trade is, I want to take. Pay attention to longer term. Yeah. Yep. I try to get green. I don't really care if I'm long, I'm short. It's kind of funny. Some people are like, oh, you only short that market. Then when I'm going long, you only go long that market. I really don't care. At the end of the year, I mean, I usually have more long trades than shorts, but I mean, we still have upper targets looking at even the 10-year bond. 10-year bond, if we look right here at the yields, let's put this on the daily. We have an ABC target up here at 4.786. We haven't made it up there yet. So, and I can't wait, you know, weeks hoping that my target's going to get hit. Now I got bills to pay. So you wait weeks, boom, got stopped out. Oh, that sucked. That sucked. So I don't like one directional markets where we just rip with no pullbacks. I don't care if we go up or down, but I like it if it goes like this, up and down as it goes there. That's my kind of day. I can do really good on those days. Hey, Alley Cat, what's up? What's up? Good evening. I'm just in one micro. We already had, I think I had 2 NQ trades, a 2 contract MNQ trade that I took a little bit of a pop up right here. And then now I'm back in 1 MNQ. Think about getting out here at this zone, which is the swing point up here, candle body to the candle wick. But if we quickly look like we're going to break through it, I'll wait to exit. I'd love to get 100 points on it. All the way up here around 615. That'd be good. Yeah, it should go up there, but we'll see. Keep in mind, the governments and stuff are going to try to keep the market up. End of the day, they're going to try. Now, they won't be successful in the long run. Eventually be too much to bear and the market will come down fast and furious, but yep, $8. I'm with you on that. In the end of the day balance, what do I have? What is in the piggy bank? I will say streaming at night has been better for my overall P&L because as I'm taking more time to go over the charts, we're talking about the markets, I find myself taking a lot more trades at night. You don't see hey, there's always a 50-50 chance. There's always a 50-50 chance. I actually have a video I kind of want to work on this weekend that will either go out Sunday or early next week. I'm really hoping for it. I'm really hoping. I got a couple of videos I want to do. I got to do the Rinko video, but I got a video. I think it's going to be a fun video. You much prefer Asia? Well, I used to have to trade Asia because at work I couldn't focus as much. So I'd always be like, if I wasn't at work, I would have made more money. Look at this move. In reality, when I went on vacation, and sometimes I'd just take a stay-at-home vacation, and I would trade the markets all week long. Like, hey, I'm gonna pretend this is my full-time job because this is what I wanted to do. And I did better trading at work than I did that week off of work. I mean, majority of the time I did better trading from work because at work I got to put the trade on. I can't micromanage it. Either it hits target, whatever. I got to get back to work. Where when you're sitting there like, oh, look at this. All right. Oh, a little bit there. All right. I'm going to get out. Boom. I'm going to get back in. All right. I'm going to get out. You think you're doing a good thing and you're just chopping yourself up. Maybe on limits. What's up? What's up? Good evening. Don't forget, guys and gals, smash that like button. I want to give that Take Profit Trader account way tonight. Looking for 300 likes. 2 new TPT Pro accounts today. Oh, good job on that, Lobster Dad. Not much Trump talking at night. You never know. He might have to get up and go to the bathroom and then bam. Smack it. Smack it. A quick little tweet out. It was like, oh my. Yep. Hey, King, I love pullbacks. I love entering on pullbacks myself. Some days we just don't freaking get them. Unfortunately. And it really makes me upset. So I was just sitting in this micro, see if we can get our way up. Yeah, it was Tuesday. I got smoked. I got smoked on Tuesday. Then I came back. I think I was down commissions. Down like 100 or 120 bucks. But I was down like 6,000 at one point. I think I was down 3,000 on stream. Then I doubled that after the stream. Hey, I have trades. Maybe I have trades where I have several trades a week. I get 200 to 400 points on the NASDAQ with micros. At least 100. I do 100 all the time. So that's not really fair to say. Look, this trade right here, I'm actually hoping I'll be able to get 100 points out of this trade. Yeah, hey, BK can see it true. We talk about it all the time on the live stream. Hey, we have a little ABC pattern right here too. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, where's this going to complete at? 589. Let's see if we can push through there. I'm hoping we get a little bit further of the extension. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. So we have the ES and NASDAQ in the green. Let's go check on the Nikkei. Nikkei's down 496. That's not looking good. Cosby's back up though. Cosby's up 41. We have the HSI opening up here in about 30 minutes. Yeah, Tuesday was a nightmare. Like, I blew up my TPT accounts. I blew up my MFF accounts. The only reason Apex didn't blow up was because of the daily loss limit. Daily loss limit saved me. I was gonna take my Tradeify payout Monday night, and I was like, I just need a little bit more. So after the payout cut, I'll have 15,000 for the payout. And just, yeah, Tuesday did some damage on those accounts. So they're in repair status. Shouldn't have been greedy. I should have took the payout. Oh well. I think if I would have took the payout, it would have been like 14,900 and something. Uh-oh. I think my power just went off. I just heard a boom boom. I think the transformer might have just blew. Hey, hold on a second. Let me make sure the rest of the house has power. I heard my battery backups kick on. I'm gonna put my assistant on for a second. Just so I can go check. Where is he at? Yeah, give me a second. I want to make sure the rest of the house has power. Actually, we do. All right, so that's good news. We didn't lose power, but I heard my battery backup go click, click. I heard a big boom outside. Not sure what all that was about. Oh, you have a great night. Yeah, trades. I don't know. Hey, BK, I think the move tonight is going to be kind of subdued with the news coming out tomorrow. Now, if I don't, because I'm not in any prop accounts tonight, I'm waiting till after the news comes out tomorrow. We'll probably get a big friggin' move. But normally, if I trade before the jobs numbers, we don't have huge moves. Maybe today will be different, but for tonight. So I'm up 50 points. Look, we got into the zone where I was looking at target. I want to see if I can push up a little bit more. I'm going to try to get out at 615. See if we can push into these deviation bands up here. Why is asking me, did you go outside? No, I did not. Don't forget to smash that like button. We need another 202 likes, and we're going to do that Take Profit Trader account giveaway. Going for 300 likes. Can you guys get us there? I got faith in you. You guys got this. So we can do that little ducky race. See who's going to win the account. Depends on the setup. You have different TPs and stop loss. So normally if I know if I'm fighting the trend really bad, I usually will just go for a quick little scalp. I think we're close to a turning point. I try to go for more out of it. Yeah, go look out, Chris. Smash that lucky like button. Guys and gals. So, all right, I gotta charge my phone up. Me's phone needs a charge. I'm hoping to get 615 out of this trade. Might not though. Initially, when I put the trade on, I was hoping for this blue area we highlighted, which came right off this resistance level, prior swing point. We've already kind of auctioned through there. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that off the chart. Let's just see if we can go ahead and push. Hopefully we can push on up. Hoping for 615-ish. That'll put us into the bands a little bit. Get a, start breaching that first deviation band, second deviation band to the upside. Yeah, regression channel is trying to flatten out. Yeah, you can see it right here a little bit better on this screen. It's almost flattened out right now. The next step after that would be to turn and start heading up. And that should be enough to push us up towards those bands. Should be. We'll see if that's how this trade's going to play out or not. This is my second MNQ trade tonight. First one I had 2 contracts on. Made a little bit. What, $200-ish, I think. Come on, keep on pushing. Push. Dow's still down 54. Russell's down 3.5. ES is up 2, and the NASDAQ's up 84. Having a little hard time right here going higher. Market's having a tough time. Is the trade going to work out? Is it not? We will find out. Looking around for liquidity and such. Not a lot of liquidity on the books tonight. Next area of significance to me in terms of liquidity would be 700. So let's see if we can push up there. Yeah, we got big news events coming out tomorrow. Big news coming out tomorrow. So oil's up 70 cents right now. Gold's only up 0.1, 0.7. So the real threat is going to be, do we get any headlines from the Middle East? Does Iran go back on attacking ships? Do we get a trade? Do we get a deal? Yeah, Apple, good looking out. Smash that like button. Guys and gals. Trying to hustle up 300 likes on this session. I'm curious. Just put this in perspective. That would be... We've already had 700 people in the stream. So we could get there with only half the people hitting the like button. 60% chance of reversal. Hey, iTrades. When you say reversal to go back up or go down? Reverse the move we had up this week or go up. Go back up, take out the recent highs. Go down? All right. Yeah, just do something. I'm with you on that one, King. Do something. Let's get it. Meantime, I can just sit here and chill while I wait for the trade to play out. Ooh, I forgot to bring my battery in. I do need to see the weather. Oh, I can't. My cousin said he needs me help. Come on. You want to get up there. They're scared. They're just scared. They're going to have to pay me if they come up here. That's why they don't want to go up there. They're scared. Hey, iTrades, what's WEM? What is that? Oh, weekly expected move? Never mind. Never mind. I'm kind of curious. Let's go look at... I'm waiting on this trade. Let's go look at these gamma levels real quick. Where's the gamma built up at? We do have some above us. ES 7780. And how's that the same price? I have 3 7780. This chart's jacked up. All right, so 7780 and 7800 are the two major gamma strike prices above us. I don't see a whole lot down below us. Now, what about NQ? I didn't eat Chipotle today, but the other day it was good. So we have a lot of gamma at 30,000. Decent amount at 800. A little bit more at 700, which 700 is where we have a little bit of orders on the books too. We have 72 contracts resting right here at 700. Then down below us at 500. We don't want to see us go down there. Let's stay away from that 500. Please and thank you. back and forth, back and forth. So if the market is just going to sit here and consolidate, we can just fade the edges. Hey, Smokey J, what's up? I don't know. I'm not expecting big moves tonight. Not with the news coming out tomorrow. So much so that I did not even place a trade in the prop accounts tonight. Now, because of that, that's probably why we'll get a big move, but them jokers. So as we came down here, the first trade I had tonight was 2 micros. Played this little lift up here. I have another one right here. See if we get a little bit more of a lift up. Now, let me just move that over for a minute. You kind of see that we're in this little chop zone this afternoon too. Just chop, 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 chop. So let's see. Hey, Stones and Socks, what's up? Hey, don't forget to smash that like button, guys and gals, so we can do that TPT giveaway. Watch you go down, put me in the red. Caught in the barbed wire. Somebody told me some horror stories about what they did with Bob Wire back in the I think it was Vietnam or one of the wars. I was like, yeah. Sound pretty rough. AI left with no screen, no secrets. Stupid AI left with no secrets. Hey, Jonathan, they streaming right now? Yeah, 75.30 has POC on the 5-minute. No longer 77.30. So we're just gonna pull back here again. Again, we get back down this zone. I'm gonna add one to this. Joker just does not want to go yet. Let's go see if the Asia markets are going down. Yeah, look at Nikkei. Nikkei's down 662 now. Kospi is down a whopping 10 points. And my MAQ trade's about to be red. Short term, we came into being oversold on this NASDAQ. Right back to the opening price. Let's see. Hey, Gregory, welcome. What's up? QRD. What is QRD? Maybe I'm looking for a little scalp on that NQ. Oh, quick rundown. I might look for a scalp on this. We got a 9 count over here on the 1 minute. Short term, we're into oversold. It's gonna get a little scalp. There you go. Quick little 5 points. Thank you very much, Mr. Market. Again, here's the contributing factors. We're in the green area, short-term oversold. Look over here on the left chart, the 1 minute chart. We had the 9 count. Then we also had delta divergence down here. Ooh, I looked at it upside down. I messed up. Yeah, I was looking at these spikes. That's not good. I wanted to see delta divergence the other way. I didn't have the delta. I took the trade. I thought I did. Oops. Oh, well, it still worked out for me. Still worked out, so I'm not going to cry about it. A micro is trying to go red on me. Oh, hey, Jonathan, you can. Fading 77.38. 77.30. 38 and 30. Let's go look at that. Not bad. I mean, it doesn't look like a bad area. I might want to push my fade at 30 down a little bit lower, though. See if we can get into the deviation bands off the VWAP. So maybe push it down to like 29. See if maybe actually we can spike. You can see the red line here. That's the session low. See if we can maybe wick down there and then look for the fade back up. To me, that seems to be a little bit better, but just know the consolidation will work until it finally breaks. So one of the trades that you take probably won't work at some point. So. Oh, hey, Jonathan, I didn't see no link. Huh. $9.50. They're tight its chop. Yeah, that's one way to look at it. Let's see. Where'd that go? Hey, Jonathan, when you say they're streaming, I don't see any streams. Oh, streamed 1 day ago. Huh. You could get a waterfall effect. That would not be good for my micro trade, but it'll give me a shot to add to it. I got 1 micro, so I'll look to add some more to this. Hopefully it doesn't get too ugly on me, though. Overseas markets. Nikkei now is down 700 points. Kospi is down 400. We have the HSI opening up in about 12 minutes. ADX under 15. I don't know. Jesse might be on his way home from work. I don't know. I talked to him when I got back in the truck after e-foiling. I haven't talked to him since then. Oh yeah, I was supposed to call him back. I remember sitting down for a minute and I passed out. The e-foil wears me out sometimes. I was chasing down the jet skis and the boats today, trying to ride their wakes. Kospi going lower, down 52. Nikkei going lower. That might not be good for my NASDAQ. Jesse said, call me back live on speaker. So he's listening to the stream. I'm looking to see if I want to add to this or not. All right, we're coming back into the deviation bands. Again, the overseas markets are weakening here at the same time. So I might want to be a little bit careful about this ad. Let me just look at something real quick. Let's go over and look at the NASDAQ on the 30-minute. Should I maybe hold off a little bit? Because if we break, could we maybe be trying to run back down towards this area we had this morning? Candle wick to the candle body. So, I don't know yet. Short term, we're trying to get, short term, we are oversold again. We have a little bit of delta divergence there. I take a little stab at this. I think I hesitated too much. I hesitated a little bit too much. I was going to look for a little scalp. You can clearly see now we actually do have divergence on the delta. Short term, we're oversold. You can see the green background. Look over on the left-hand chart. We're in the deviation bands. And I hesitated. So. And Nikkei's down 810. Kospi now is down 76. HSI looks like it might gap down slightly. Slightly. So. I don't know. Maybe he's on the way home. I will see if Jesse's going to come on tonight or not. All right, coming down, see if we can break the session low again. I'm down 63 on my micro, which I'm looking to see if I want to add. I'm going to probably wait till I'm down 100 at least before I add. No, hey, BK, I don't see any news out. I have financial juice up. I don't see any. Yeah, tomorrow's non-farm payrolls. So it is considered a tier 1 news event. So if your prop firm has any news regarding the red folder items, that would be one of them, like Lucid has. My Fund and Futures, a lot of their accounts you cannot trade. Tomorrow's news, TPT, Pro Plus account, you can't trade that news. Apex, you're fine. Tradeify, you're fine. And all of Lucid's accounts, except for the daily account, you can trade tomorrow. So, yeah, Lucid Daily, you cannot. Not tomorrow's news. Nope, you didn't miss the giveaway. We have to get 300 likes. We're not there yet. We only got 132. So if you want to contribute, smash that like button. It's free. 300 likes before 11 o'clock. I never know how long I'm going to stay on after 11. So we have to get the likes in by 11. Gosh darn it. I think I missed it. I think I missed my shot to get in. Gosh darn it. Do I want to wait and be patient? See if we go down there. Yeah, I'm thinking about going long just for a little 5-point scalp. If we... What's that 96? I FOMO'd in this. I just got in. That's stupid. Stupid. Oh, man. I should have done that. I should not have done it. I knew I should have waited. Should have waited. I'm trading the NQ, NASDAQ. I'm also in an MNQ trade, which is micro NASDAQ. I'm down on the micro, $48. Yeah, I FOMO'd in though. I was calculating. I was like, all right, to this EMA, that's that price. Well, how far down do I need it? It spiked up and I hit the button. Rookie mistake. Rookie. Now, hey, we could have a little ABC pattern right here. Let's see if I can draw this out quick enough. So I'm going to try to get to 500 at least. Oh, there we go. Oh, you sorry. You did me dirty there. They did me dirty. I hit the close button right here and they got me out down here. Then, They did me dirty on that one. Dids me dirty. You're going to trade after FOMC? Yeah, you got a while to wait. We have jobs numbers tomorrow. We don't have FOMC. Oh, yeah. I'm on the Ninja Trader platform. Yes. I'm hoping we push off these deviation bands over here on the 1 minute. Try that button today. I feel like I got gypped out of that last trade. Even though I FOMO'd in, where I close, I hit the close up here. This suckers didn't give me a good feel. Let's see if we can run all the way up here to the opening price. That'd be fantastic. Actually, where I'm trying to get out is right around the my entry price on the micro. Come on, come on. I gotta move my stop in the money. There we go. There we go. Give it up. Hey, look. So where I got out of that trade basically is where I got in the micro. Oh, man. Let's get it. Again, we just barely dip below here. Now, I do want to check what the ES do. Oh, yeah, look. Hey, this is what we talked about in the ES. Somebody asked, hey, what about 7730? I said, let's see if we break that low. Quick little bloop before looking for the fade trade. That would have worked. So if you end up taking that trade, congrats. You should at least be in the green, be able to put your stop in the money. Hey, Mechanoble, good evening. And good evening to everybody else. Don't forget to smash that like button. See if we're going to get up there. Get on up there. I was hoping to get 615 out of this trade. Meaning 615 price point. I don't know, though. I don't know. I might be asking too much here for tonight. Might be asking too much. Yeah, long at 728. Nice. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Short term, we're starting to get overbought. You can see the red background. Just short term, though. So if you're long, tighten up the stops. At least that's how I would do it. Do what you want to do. Oh, Asia's not so bad. Oh, the bands are... Oh, these bands? They're the VWAP deviation bands. Ready? So this is the second and third deviation. Quite often when the market gets in there, we'll get a rejection. Like right there, rejected. Right there, rejected a little bit. Right there, rejected. So quite often into the downside, we got in the bands, rejected. Came back down by him again, rejected. Back down to him again, trying to reject. It's one of the trades that Raj is always on here talking about in those bands. Now, with the VWAP, normally you have 3 bands. Like the other chart I'm looking at, I can see all 3 bands. On the chart you guys see, in the main chart I'm focused on, I had the first band taken off. So I have VWAP, and I'm showing the second and third band with it being highlighted in between. So that's all this is in between the second and third band. It's the VWAP. So it's order flow VWAP on Ninja. On TradingView, you can also do it on TradingView. So if we go NQ, here's how we build that out. 5-minute chart, I'll put on the VWAP indicator. Go to settings, and from here, the upper band, I just go second, third. All right. And there we go. All right. And then you can see, come up into the bands, reject down. Come down to the bands, reject back up, reject up, reject up. So I just try not to have this chart too cluttered up. So. This gives you a location to look at on the chart. You know, if you're looking to get short, you probably don't want to get short down in the bands. The upper bands, you probably don't want to look for longs up there. You know, if you only want to take longs, wait for a pullback down below the bands first. And a lot of times you'll get a rejection all the way back down the VWAP. So. Look, we're almost back at VWAP right now, actually. And look, if I would have added down here, let's just say you got in at that second band, the VWAP, that's 56 points. So there's some decent trades. And if you don't want to play off the bands, what you can do is use it as a guiding post that if you're down here, you start getting buy setups on a smaller time frame, like a Renko chart or whatever, you can start looking for buys out of that area. Yeah, I don't think we're going too high tonight. Well, it should be a little bit challenging with the way the Asia markets are trading. Nikkei down 605 now, so it's coming back a little bit. Kospi down 41. HSI is down 62 points. Gapped up, boom, slammed down. All I care about is my M and Q. I want to try to see if I can get 100 points out of it. 100 points on one micro would be 200 bucks. That's what I'm hoping for. We'll see. Do we get it? Do I get it? Maybe, maybe not. Was down 500 now, only down 100. Oh man, way to go. No, the comeback's a lot harder. It's easier to trade once you're already up. Trading from a deficit, it's tough. So good job on the comeback. How do I avoid getting into trouble hedging? Well, one, all the accounts with whatever prop firm, they're always in the same trade altogether. And I'm normally in the same trade with the accounts, all the accounts at the same time. Even if I break them up, I just break them up I can change the quantity a little bit easier. Or maybe I don't want to take it in this set of accounts, but I'm never going to be long the NASDAQ and short the NASDAQ in another group of accounts. I don't do that. I only take one trade at a time. So if all my prop firms are in it, let's say 4 out of the 5 prop firms are in a long trade on the NASDAQ. I won't even trade the 5th one until I'm out of the other ones, just to make sure. Or I'll go in that same direction with as the other accounts. But most of the time they're in the same trade though. The accounts that have less drawdown, sometimes I'll group those together. And where I get in with the accounts that have full drawdown, I can get in a little bit earlier. And since I'm doing micros, I can suffer a little bit of pullback. Once they got a decent amount of pullback, then where I would normally add in those accounts, I'll start a position in the accounts that are already hurt. So it kind of gives me a goalpost of, all right, I thought it was going to go up here. I was wrong. Now I can see how much pain I've taken. And then now I can go ahead and put the other accounts that are hurt on. 1770. Let's go, Mongo. Another great night. Congrats. Man, you've been killing it. We're working on bar 9. I think hopefully this bar closes down enough to where we don't get bar number 9. We did get a 9 count. We did get that 9 count. They're shorting. Wouldn't mind shorting if we can fade up a little bit more. Nikkei going back down 773. Kospi down 76. Let's see oil. What's oil doing? Yeah, oil's not really ripping, so the little sell-offs we're getting isn't due to the tensions in the Middle East. Maybe I should have taken that up there. Yeah, you caught one micro long for 100. Nice. All right, which way is this regression channel sloping? Oh, I don't want to do it yet. I was looking at this short-term oversold area, but we're only at the middle of the regression channel, and the regression channel is sloping downward. So if I'm going to try to counter trend this back up, I want us to be below that regression channel, below it. If we're not below it, I don't care. Not worried about it. So, hey Neo, what's up? Even if we go ahead and turn and rock it up, that's fine. Hey Neo, what's up? Oh yeah, it does, DJ. So on the ES or MES, 10 to 20 points, 10 to 30 points is usually my average on those. On the NASDAQ, I normally don't want anything less than 30 points for the micro. So 30 to about 200 points is what I go for. Usually it's 50 to 200 points, but somewhere in that range. Depends on where the target location comes into play that I'm looking to target. It walked away and then it rocketed. So they haven't completely put my micro trade underwater yet. They're trying to come back down for it. Now I'm kind of curious, is Meta getting smoked after their ruling against them? They're going to have to pay almost $1 billion. Not really, down 63 cents. $3.30 in Poland. Holy smokes, that's crazy. So Meta, after their court ruling went against them, didn't really move it too much. Huh. Interesting. Nikkei's back down 851. Kospi's down 94. It's not looking good. Not looking good for my little micro trade. Making me a little bit nervous with these with the other markets. Now I do want to watch over here on the NASDAQ. If we get back below this lower regression channel, which would probably put us into the deviation bands, I may look for a little scalp long. Scalp being like 5 points, maybe 10 points is what I'll be looking for. We're right back at the opening price again. 514. So I'm gonna watch it, see if we get down there. Then I might take a little crack at it. ES is down 3.25. NASDAQ's up 23. Dow's down 75, and the Russell down 4.6. $402 at 562. Yeah, I think that's gonna be a spoof order. So if we look right here, you can see that. Where's my mouse? 402 contracts sitting right there. It hasn't been on the books that long. It's only been on the books since 9:37. So 2 minutes. If we do come back up there, they'll probably end up pulling that order. Would be my best guess. But we'll see. Still worth paying attention to just in case. Sometimes after they pull a big order like that, the market will go up there to see, was it really an order? All right, look, we're coming down by that lower regression channel. Not quite down here yet. And we're getting close to the deviation bands. Nikkei's down 973. Cosby is down 137. This might not be good for a little micro trade I got going on. Hit the bubble and give a bubble. Yeah. Hit the band, give a bubble. I was looking at the wrong chart. Yeah, I was looking at the ES chart over here. Yikes. Yikes. Yeah, gold's up 8 points. It's not crazy. So I'm trying to wait. Are we going to be able to make it down here or not? Can we make it down towards these deviation bands? If so, I'm going to look for a long. Just for a little scalp. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. I've traded. I used to trade oil futures all the time. I used to trade oil and gold almost every day. But I'd say I'm less consistent in gold or in oil than probably any other market. Oil in the NASDAQ used to give me the biggest fit. Then I just got practicing the NASDAQ. Practice. I got decent at it. So now I don't mind it. I still trade the ES every day. The S&P. I love the S&P market. 661 is break even. TP at 388. Nice. 388. Let's see what you're shooting for. Oh. All right. Say, Neo, where'd you get that 388 target? What are you using for that target? 561 break even. It's like 661. How'd you short it way up there? Thought maybe you just held it. Thought maybe you're holding it from this afternoon. Yeah, MES for the win all day. I love the MES. That's what I use to trade the prop accounts. And it really looks like the S&P wants to break a little bit lower. If we didn't have news out tomorrow, I would probably put some orders down lower and see if they could get hit while I'm sleeping to trade those. But all right, which way are we going to break? If we go back up and see the EMAs are kind of trying to pinch together. Are they trying to sucker me into a bad trade? I really wanted down lower, kind of in the middle. Yeah, I'm not going to take it. Look, we're in the middle of the regression channel. It is sloping down. So I'm not going to get it. I need to, if I want to get long, I need to be down towards the lower regression channel and into the deviation bands. Otherwise, I'm asking for problems. I'm asking for the market makers to come take some of their monies back that they let me hold for temporarily. So I don't want to do that. So yeah, micros can be very, very good. A very useful tool. Because you don't have to be right here, right now. Yeah, I heard about the nanos coming up. Smokey J here in what? 20 something of this month? 26th, 24th? Up and down 3,100. Man, I'm itching to go long. I'm like, you know what? I just need to be realize I already have a spot long. So if I'm going to do a mini trade, let's wait down until we get down to the better location before I place a trade. So you cannot just be patient, please. If you want to rip up, I still got some exposure through the MNQ. Hey, B Devil, what's up? Guys and gals, don't forget to smash that like button. Trying to get 300 likes by 11 o'clock. So we can do that Take Profit Trader account giveaway. We're at 152 right now. And we've already had 1,300 people through the stream. So let's see. Can you guys get us there? All right, nice little pump coming. Well, it looks like I'm regretting it a little bit more now when we just came down here. Down around this area. I didn't get in the NQ. Let's see down there. Was there any setups that I missed? 21. What time was that? 21:41. Yeah, right down here. Right down here, we're down there. Hey, and look, we actually had the double bottom. And look at the delta. The delta on the second leg, non-existent. Yeah, hey, Eric, they do, but only on the new version. That's one of the reasons why Ninja came out with 8.1.8.1 to support the single stock futures. Oh, look, hey, they're playing games on the ES. Look, we had liquidity right here. Let's see how much that was. Looks like about 439 contracts. We started getting close. They yanked those orders, and they simply just moved them right up here to 739. So they're playing games. And that big order on the NASDAQ that I said I thought was a spoof order. Look, they've already pulled that order, and look, they moved it. Those 400 contracts, they moved it up to 600 now. So I thought they were going to be a spoof order, and sure enough. Sure enough. Yeah, that's what I've heard people say, very little liquidity. But, you know, the micro futures didn't have a lot of liquidity on day one either. They probably had more than the single stock futures, but. Hey, Lee, what's up? Hey, Lee, you're not too late to smash that lucky like button. No, spoof orders are just playing games. Like, they're trying to give the market participants the perception there's a big seller. At least tonight. I mean, they're spoofing down below us. They give the perception a big buyer. And try to, usually what they're doing is trying to push the market away from that. So in that case, since the buyer, since you can see the big sell orders up here, buyers like, let me get out early. And they push the market down. Sometimes what the spoof orders will do is they'll throw in a big order to push the market down, and then they buy it and pull their spoof so the market goes back up. That's what happens when you have money. You can influence the markets. Oh no, Eric, I think the S&P is going to be 50 cents a tick. Something like that. NASDAQ's going to be 20 cents. I don't know. Something crazy. Well, I mean, the CME will tell you there is no spoofing, but we see it all the time on the order book. So they're just, you know, gaslighting us. So. They say, oh, we changed our mind. I mean, very conveniently. How convenient they just changed their mind. Think about going long. I can't. Stop it. I can't. Look, I want to go long. If I just look at this chart, I want to go long for a pop-up. I come back over and look at the 1 minute chart. Regression channels still sloping down. We're at the middle channel. So I'm just going to wait. Even if we go up, I'm just going to have to wait and say, hey, you know what? Too bad, too sad. I missed it. I'm still in one M&Q. So if we do go up, I'll still participate at least a little bit. You're over a certain threshold. Hey, so Eric, why did Nav get in trouble? He was spoofing, I think, thousands, hundreds of thousands of contracts. Yeah, they will take forever to pass an eval, just ain't right. But think about how you could DCA into those. Oh man. Prop firms are probably got to ban them, or we're gonna be back into DCA rules. No DCAing allowed. We got show. Yeah, but they tried to give him. They actually got rid of all the charge. I think they didn't get rid of the charges, but they basically let them off at the end of the day. Yeah, I do too. He's not responsible for it. It was all the machines went wild that day. I still remember that. I remember trading that day. I remember people calling me at work. Hey, you see the market? I'm like, yeah, I'm watching it. It's tanking. I'm like, Dow's gonna get down 1,000 points. I mean, now it doesn't seem like that much because you look at where the Dow is. But if we go back and we look, YM way back then, just put it in perspective. That was a wild day too. And I bought at the low. I just bought the wrong stocks. I didn't bounce back like the market did. I think it was this day right here. Was it May 10th? Let's go see. Yeah, May 6th. Yeah, May 6th. So if you look from the previous day, looks like Dow was down right there, right at 1,000 points. And whoop, came right back up. Didn't get it all back. Got quite a bit of it up though on the Dow. Yeah, lost his money in a scam. They scammed him out of his $50 million or something. That's crazy. He said to him it was just like playing a video game. He didn't really. He was just playing a video game. Hey, if you listen to the stories when he was at the where he traded at the prop firm, that's funny. He'd get in a trade. He'd get in a trade, then just go sit on the couch, play video games. What are you doing? I'm just giving the trade room to breathe. They're like, and he has big trades on too. Big trades. He's just letting it breathe. No stop loss. Just letting it do its thing. See you in the morning, Raphael. Hey, Raphael, don't forget to smash that like button on the way out. See if we can get up to 300 likes tonight. Still got 246 people in here. We've had about 1,500 people through here. So think about that. That's so if 20% of people smash the like button, we'd already be there. Whoa, yeah, do an odd number amount of times, Raphael. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. I don't have smaller accounts though. I don't have the 50K accounts to give away. Maybe. I have no idea. I don't know if YouTube counts it the same person or not. I have no idea. No idea. But usually we'll have over 300 people concurrent at one point tonight. Like from the phone and TV. Let's see. Are they going to be able to push me up here? There's just a chop mess going on. So ES is only down 3 points. Yeah, Trish, but I want to be able to give them away. I want to give these accounts away. I wants to. Trying to get some other accounts too. Yeah, spoof that button. Just give it to you. Hey, Tris, if we get there and you're on here tonight, I'll put you in the duck race. Yeah, you just gotta blink twice. It's just like pushing the like button. Blink twice, both eyes. Same time. 4 hour candle doji. Let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, kind of a little doji there. What about ES? ES kind of a spinning top type of candle. And this will close here in about 5 minutes. So. Yeah, actually all the last video and then the video 2 videos ago, YouTube is hating on me. Today's video only has 300 and something views. YouTube's not liking me. I don't understand why. I sent YouTube a friend request. So can we be friends? Hey, here's the video from today. Yeah, I'm hoping we break to the upside. Like I said, I got one micro on. I won't even think about adding until we get into the deviation bands down here. Oh, look, they're playing games on the ES. Look, that order. If I zoom that out, look, the order was here. They moved it up, and now they just moved it down. They moved it down to 77.35. Interesting. Oh yeah, look at 537. They're playing the game on the NASDAQ too. Let's see if they pull this order over here. Right there around 540. Let's see if they're gonna pull it. It's good for my MNQ. My MNQ is going up. Let's see if we get up there. I think they're gonna pull. We got expand that out. Look, 545. We have 101 contracts. 540. We have 500 contracts. Past 4 TPT accounts. Nice. Good job on that, Benjamin. I blew up 5 accounts on Tuesday with TPT. And then 3 of my MFF accounts. The Apex accounts hit their daily loss limit. Oh, man, it was a rough day. Tuesday was a rough day for me. Not good. Hey, I will say the new monitor setup I have, much better on my eyes. My eyes aren't nearly as strained as they were at the end of the day. Really, really liking the new monitor setup. I just gotta get all my windows where I know I'm still swapping a couple windows around. I don't have everything where I want it, and I don't know because I keep swapping them around. I keep looking like, where's this chart at? Where's the stream at? So yesterday and the day before, I kept for the chat, I kept looking where it was before. I can't find it. Then I look this way. I have nothing over here anymore. This over here used to be the 2 32-inch monitors. And you guys are no longer over there. So it's a hot mess right now, Eric. Because I haven't finished. I pulled my computer out today and messing with the light. I got cables and stuff everywhere right now. Maybe once I clean up all the cable management, which I plan to do over the weekend, then I will. It's pretty neat though. I like it. I likes it a lot. Yeah, see, look, we almost have enough people on here that if everybody hit that like button, we'd be at 300 likes. Everybody. All right, let's see. 831 down on the Nikkei. HSI down 73, not too bad. Kospi down 92. Yeah, I don't know. I gotta fix that. I'm gonna change the layout a little bit over the weekend. Hey, so you're new to the channel. Hey, welcome. First off, hey, what information do you need to get? What information you're looking for? A plus setup only. I mean, that is one benefit, but hey, so what platform are you trading on? Are you trading on TradingView or Ninja? Tradevate? What are you using? Yeah, they don't like the stream if they're losing. Yeah, maybe. Maybe, but hey, if they're losing, they should want another account. So I don't have my new computer yet. I'm not going to order the computer until after the first of the year when the new Intel chips come out. So after the new Intel chips come out, I'm going to upgrade my computer. Get the whatever 90 graphics card is out, whatever series. In the new, what's that chip called? I don't know. I can't remember what it's called, but I was looking at it. On the one I have now, I have a 13900K processor, 3080 graphics card, 60 gigs of DDR5 RAM, and 4 NVMe drives. Super fast. I don't know the exact spec on them. On TradingView. Hey, so on TradingView, this can help you out a lot. Raj is always in here talking about this setup. But search and go to VWAP. Find the VWAP indicator. So if you go to indicators, type in VWAP. So volume weighted average price. Click on that one, which I already have mine on my chart. Then go to settings. And you want to make sure VWAP is checked under style. And then just click the second band and all the third bands. Then you click in the fill for the second and third bands. Click OK. This will work regardless if you're trading the NQ or the ES. But look, every time you get into the bands down here, you look for a buy. Anytime you get to the bands up there, look for a sell. Look right there. Boop, 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 boop. Got to there. Boop. All right, that's that day. Here's the day before. Up here in the bands. Boop. Little pop there. Little pop there. Little pop there. Hey, we took a little heat on that last one, but what time was that? That's 5 minutes before the close. Shouldn't be trading that late in the day. Oh man, hold on. We're ripping. Hold up. Oh, we're not close. I was hoping we were getting close to my target where I want to target out, but we're only right back at the VWAP. Now look at the regression channel. They did get the regression channel back sloping up slightly. I like that. So now I can start looking for scalps on the MNQ for longs. Yeah, deviation bands work fairly well. I started looking at those back in 2012, 2014. Then I went to Costa Rica and met a guy that worked at a hedge fund. He hated VWAP, and I quit looking at him for a long time. He influenced me. Let's see. Can I get it? Can I get in on this? Come on, please and thank you. Hughes building good pressure. Yep. I'm debating on if I want to go long down here. Maybe take a little swing at this. All right, here we go. Market came right down to get my order. Oh boy. So that 200 EMA was gonna hold. May not, might get me. It got me. Got me. Yeah, we also have an event tomorrow. So I don't think we're gonna have a huge move tonight. Let's see if I can get this back. See if we can get that back up there. $736. Yeah, they're playing games over there. Got those poop warriors out there. On the NASDAQ, they got them way up there now. They're playing games up there on the NASDAQ for sure. We got them at 560, 580, 590. On the ES right there at 77.36, like you said. So, all right. So look, I lost on the previous trade. That trade made money and put me back at session highs. So, took me 2 tries. Still think this is going up. Still think my micro trade is trying to make it up towards 615. I'm hoping. Please, please. Now Nikkei will be at lunch at 10:30. So let's see how this all gonna shake out. New 4-hour candle. BWAP has been holding down the NQ. Yeah, I know, Raj. I'm hoping we can get above it. Like over here, I got excited, like, woo, we're gonna go, and then bam, right back down. We do got the regression channel sloping up now, so I'm hoping we can get on up there. Let's just do a quick check on the overseas. And Nikkei is trying to bounce a little bit. So Nikkei is off the low. Nikkei is trying to bounce up. Kospi is only down 55 now. All that should be good for my NASDAQ. Yeah, I do. John, I do. I trade. So normally when I have evals, I'll put them in a separate group. And then the funded ones, I'll have them linked in a separate group. Typically. That way on the evals, I trade minis and I trade micros once they're funded. Now in the copier, I could do that all in the copier. So for a while, I was trading them all at the same time, but I kind of like splitting them up. So like the Apex accounts that have a daily loss limit. So if all the accounts are going long, the MES, I'll wait a little bit and put the Apex ones once I'm already in a little bit of heat, then I'll put those on. Typically, not always, but a lot of times. Shorten the 6J. All right. Shorten the yen. I used to trade the 6B a lot too. 6B, 6C, 6E. Yeah, trying to put my trade back underwater again. Those jokers. It usually takes Apex 5 to 8 days for it to reach your bank. And that's not recently. It's been like that for forever. So it used to take a long time for them to approve it. Then once they got it approved, it was still a while. So now they approve it pretty instantly. But to get to your bank, it's usually going to be 5 to 8 business days. Typically. The clicks are hard. Well, that's a knocking noise. That's not clicking. But dog it. All right, let's see if we're gonna come in down here. Hey, if we do make it down here, look, lower regression channel. Let me get this chart. Look, we're at the lower regression channel. We get in the deviation bands. I may look for a little scalp long on the NQ. Maybe. Still be a little aggressive. Oh, how long for TPT? Once the payout's approved, it's in my wallet. Before I hit transfer from wallet, I exit out and go to my bank. It's already in there with TPT. Stupid fast. Yeah, someone's at the door. I think I'm going long here. Oh, dang, I might have missed it. Look, we started to get a little bit of divergence right there. I just hesitated for a moment. So I'm like, man, we didn't quite touch the deviation bands. We are at the lower regression channel, but we didn't quite make it into the deviation bands. So I was trying to wait to see if we're going to make it down there. So I might have missed my shot. Dang it. That would have been, I would have got the 5 points too, but I hesitated. I mean, normally I'm trading this time of the night anyways. I just don't trade as much. This has actually helped out my P&L because I'm forced to talk about the markets, what I have setting up, then I find myself in more trades. So it's been a win for me as well. And when I'm trading on stream, you guys see the better version of me. Tuesday after the stream, I did some things that I'm not proud of. Not proud of one bit. In order for 20 minutes? Yeah, it's just waiting. That would have been a good trade right down there too. You see, we had the green background. That means short-term oversold. We had the delta divergence. We were over here at the lower regression channel. I was just hoping to touch into the deviation bands. So I was being stingy with my entry and yeah, didn't get it. And the market just runs. It depends, Eric. I had bigger days. So the biggest day I've ever had is like 69,000, something like that. Oh, let me find the picture on my phone. This is back when I still had a job. So I could afford to be reckless. And I was slinging some contracts around. But I knew the bills were going to be paid. Bills were going to be paid because I had a full-time job that paid me well. Let me see. Let me scroll way back. That was many years ago. Many years ago. I don't even think I was making YouTube videos at this time. I think I had taken a break for a while. Oh yeah, that's further back. Let's see if I can find it. There was like a 3-week period I had where I made, but I was just being full stupid. You can't, like, it was foolish. If you guys seen the stuff I was doing, it was reckless. Not the same trader as what you guys see now. Oh, what was those stats? Oh, that wasn't bad. 11 point something profit factor. There's a decent day, but this is back when I still had a full-time job. This isn't even my biggest day. I don't know if you guys can see that. So that was a 20K day. Back when I was still working. I did that from work. But it was reckless. I want to see if I can find that day. I want to see exactly how much it was. I think it was 69 something. Oh boy. My daughter, golly, she's gotten huge now. Look at that picture of my daughter back then. I mean, back at work, Eric, I do 20 to 40 sometimes. Reckless though. Like, I'd put a contract on just to get a feel for where the market's going. No stop, no target. Like, I was down one day at work, 50K. I just shut the platform down. That's what I say when I say reckless. Reckless. Then my friend's like, hey, you see the market? I was like, I don't want to see it. I'll just open it up at the end of the day and I'll get out. He goes, oh, open it up. Yeah, I'll open it up. So open it up. I ended up getting out for roughly break even. Might have made $100, lost $100, something like that. And then after that, I went ahead and wired the money out of the account. I said, I'm going to give up too much money. And I'd already lost quite a bit at that point of what I made from that reckless stuff. No, this was no prop accounts. This was my live account. I don't know if you guys see this one or not. There's a $44,000 day. That's not even the day I'm looking for though. I'm getting close. It was around that same time period. I want to find that best day. Oh, no, this is it. Yeah, now I trade full time. Yes. And then here's another day. Another $22,000 day. Again, just gunslinging them. I mean, we're going back like over 6 years. So being reckless, yeah, I made more money. But some of the things I did were pretty rough. Yeah, I can't believe I can't find it. I think it's like 69,000. Shoot, it was longer ago than I thought. Time flies when you're having fun. Hey, Saz, what's up? What's up? Just trying to get that 300 like mark. Waiting for this MNQ to go up there around 615 so I can get out. You have a lot of pictures of car stuff too. So this is all jacked up. Jeez. Yeah, no, a lot of people think you have to learn how to manage a little bit of money before you get managed a lot. I still remember the first time I took my account to 100,000, I was like, I got plenty of drawdown now. Cause you to be a little reckless and poof. Golly, my little girl is so young. That's crazy. Man, she's getting so big. I'm hoping for 615 so I can get out. Wow, this was definitely a lot longer ago than I thought. So my biggest day was going back further than I thought. Biggest day of all time. Wow. Well, no, I was just doing a lot of contracts back then. Like, I was reckless. I knew my bills were going to be paid. You know, you can trade a lot differently when you know the bills are going to be paid. You can be like, just doesn't matter. So I'm saying all the things that people struggle with now, I've already went through. That's why I can relate to it. You know, usually I'm a slow learner, but once I get it, I usually will excel. But it just takes me a little while. Golly. I really thought. Uh-oh. Yeah, trying to get my trade underwater again. Hey, if we do make it back down to the deviation bands down here, I will be looking to scalp it. 20 to 40. The biggest trade I ever put on was 100 ES contracts one time. Never did it again, so forget that mess. That was way before this. That was way before I ever did that. I didn't know anything about contract limits or anything. I just hit buy market. I was instantly down. This is back when the S&P was like 12 or 1400, something like that. I did that. There used to be a lot more orders on the bid and ask. You used to see the bid and ask, see a couple hundred contracts sitting on the bid and ask on the ES. Back in the day. I don't know if that's because there wasn't micros or just because it was such a lower price. Hey, I only did that 100 contract trade one time, but never again. Golly. Yeah, that was a long time ago. It was longer ago than I thought. Because I got to break this record at some point. I want to do it disciplined. Break it being disciplined. Not gunslinging. That was a decent day, but that's yeah, I'm trying to find. I just took this for my own personal record. Just to remember it. Never showed this on social media or anything. Just for me. I'll show you guys here if I ever find it. I really didn't think it was this far back. It was a $12,000 day. $13,000 day. Come on. Yeah, it's not easy to control emotions at all. What's funny is people that are the most disciplined think, oh yeah, I can do this. They're like, I don't understand why I can't follow my own rules. That's what's crazy about it. We make up rules and we can't follow them. How is that? Boy, I looked a lot younger back then. Jeez. All right, at least I'm back in the green on the MNQ. You don't follow the rules. And you know what they say? Rules are meant to be broken. Oh man, she's so. Come on. Again, this is what happens a lot of times at night too. When we have a big news event. How can I not? Yeah, I don't feel like it's this far back. Oh boy. That was a throwback. Really broke, not following your rules. Yeah, eventually. Hey, unless you hit it big in the meantime. Jeez. I've gone back pretty darn far. I don't see it. I'm just sitting in this trade, seeing if we can go up there and get my target. Oh, hey, can you guys hear Jesse? He says he's on. I don't want to quit scrolling these pictures. I don't know if it's going to pick up where I left off. I've already done all this scrolling. So, Jesse, can you guys hear Jesse? Well, hey, here's the thing. If you have to make the money, you won't be able to make it. If you don't need the money will just, it's a lot easier to make. Still no guarantee you'll make it, but you have a better chance. Golly. Jeez. What time is it? All right. We're going to get Jesse on in a minute. I just got to find this. Man, my thumb is starting to hurt. Oh yeah, look, here's some of the stuff I had to deal with. Hey, here's a car I think I'm having to pull the whole dash out of at work and replace the evaporator. Oh. The evaporator or the whole wire harness? I can't remember on that one. This is crazy. I really didn't think it was back this far. So again, I'm still in that micro trying to get to work up there. Hold on, I might get Jesse on so I can keep scrolling. Because now I'm on a mission. Dang it. What's the good news tonight? Should. Oh, no. Didn't click the thing. All right. Jesse's with us now.
All right. You guys got me now.
I was going to say, nope.
Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Let me mute the stream so I don't get an echo. All right. What's up, everybody? Let me check my mic and make sure it didn't turn down to 70%. Yep, it's at 76. Let me crank myself up. Is that better?
Oh yeah, it's got a lot louder.
There we go.
Gosh, dog it.
Okay.
Right back
you scroll the photos. I'll conversate here. What's up, dudes and dudettes? What's the good news today? Oh, guys, my little baby accounts didn't make it. They didn't survive this morning. I got smashed. But the good news is, I was telling Mike earlier, I'm pretty proud of myself. I mean, those accounts only had $221 of drawdown, and I survived 4 trading sessions. Like 3 steps forward, 1 step back, 2 steps forward, 1 step back, and then 3 steps back. So, man, that was the hardest thing I've ever done so far in my trading journey in the last 4 or 5 years. Is try get my, those were 3, for anybody who hasn't been following along, I had 3 live accounts with TPT, and unfortunately they put me in the development arena for whatever reason, probably my bad habits. And day 1 was pretty good. Day 2, I got smoked. The market didn't like me that day. I broke my rules, blah 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 blah. Hit the daily loss limit, which left me with only $221 left in the accounts. So fast forward 3 or 4 days, actually like three or 4 trading sessions, I was able to work with that and got some of it back, but ultimately that was too difficult. And even with micros, so tough. I mean, has anybody ever tried trading the NASDAQ with $200? I mean, that was brutal.
Yeah, it's tough.
$200, but like I said, I'm pretty proud of myself that I made it 3 or 4 trading sessions before, giving up the ghost on that. So for me, that was a good big step forward trading wise. It showed me that it can be done, and and slow down a little bit, downsize, use micros when you need to. If the market's not moving the way your trading style works well in, then either don't trade or, switch to a micro. So anyhow.
Hey, here's a day, Jesse. 37K that day.
Yeah.
Whew. Still can't. That's not my biggest day, but I think I'm getting close.
You're getting
close.
close.
I had some big days. If this is oh yeah, there it is. Look, this is just like the very next day. 69K that day. That's the time where I told you I was in that 3-week cycle where I was just killing it.
Wow.
God, I need to get one of those days again.
I need one of those days, yeah.
The good old days.
So I didn't finish. So to finish the story, when did that happen? Was that this morning? Yeah, that was this morning, right off the rip, right after the open. I think I got short, and it just kept grinding. It just kept ripping up. I think, if I remember correct. And I didn't honor my stop because I said to myself, "Oh, it's just a micro." Oh man. So, anyways, I took a break after that, got ready for the day, and then I said, "You know what? F it. I'm gonna buy a Lucid account." So I went and got me a Lucid account, passed it, got funded, and did $1,400. And then I said, "You know what? Let's stop there. Let's get another Lucid account." So got another Lucid account, stopped trading the funded account, and didn't pass the second one because the market, it got stupid slow and choppy and really small rangy towards the end of the day. So, but overall I did pretty well. I think I ended up doing $1,200 in that new account.
That's good.
So I've got 1 eval and 1 funded at Lucid, and did pretty darn well tonight too. So I'm pretty much done unless I see a perfect setup. But we're looking pretty good.
Hey Adam, Jesse doesn't like the little accounts. I try to tell him that too. I think that new Rapid EOD account is an amazing account.
Yeah, I mean, look, the size of the accounts and everything depends on your trade setups and the way you trade. I've tried it. I used to trade 50K accounts, and I get smoked too quick. I'm on really big Renko bars. I use
so you just size down.
I have a 40/20, and
you just size down.
No, not sizing. I'm not trading micros. Nope. So 40/20 Renko is a big bar. You got to have you got to have a little bit of a stop there to work with. So I mean, realistically, yes. If you use micros on a big Renko bar like that in a smaller account, that could work.
Well, look. So hey, so if you normally trade one mini, you just do 5 micros. Same thing.
Yeah.
Because you get 2,000 drawdown and you get 4,500 there. So do 4 micros. It'd be roughly the same thing. Draw down to what you're making.
Yes. So from a risk management perspective, exactly the same thing. Valid point. But potential profits, not the same thing. Half.
Yeah, but you get the payout quicker.
Yeah, that is true.
You have to make less before you get a payout.
Yeah, those smaller accounts are more balanced in that way. That's definitely true.
So look, to get your first payout. So you get your first payout in the rapid account. Anything over $5,100, you're already starting to make money. And the other account that you're in, you have to make 9,000 plus another 4,500. So you have to make 13,500. Hey, so at 13,500, where you're starting to get paid out, you've already made that much money plus some. You've already made an additional, what, 8 grand?
Yep.
So.
Mongo, if you get to the goal before 5 days, you got to flip a couple days. You got to just trade a micro in and out.
Well, if you go with the consistency, that they have a 30% consistency in the evaluation. So quickest you can pass is 4 days.
Yeah. Hey,
So.
Tom, which Lucid account? I got the pro accounts, 2 of them, or well, one of them's funded now, but I went with the pro account, 150K.
How close is the other one to get funded?
It's 4,037.
Hey, and Jesse does this all the time. He can pass and get an account funded in the same day on a 150K account. On the ones where you can pass in one day.
Yeah,
He does it all the time.
In the last week and a half, I've done it 5 times. I mean, that's a crap ton of money, you know. Now, is that a little bit irresponsible? Yeah, I'm trading two minis at a time instead of 1. I get a little bit more aggressive with my entries and my exits and stuff, but point is, it could be done. I've done it 5 times in the last week and a half or so. Now, my problem though is my problem is when I get funded, I have a hard time turning off that dopamine from, you know, just passing a $9,000 account, right? So that switch over is the hard part. Like, you got to reset, slow down, take it easy, you know.
I really think anybody first day in a funded account, once you're funded, just place 1 micro, win, lose, or draw, and call it a day, just to get the edge off.
Yeah,
a little bit.
I think you're onto something there. Yeah.
You're like, no, I gotta get paid out now. You're probably not gonna get paid. You're probably gonna blow it up.
And the other thing too is, like, we all know, whether it's the ES, the NQ, whatever we trade, we know that there's cycles to it, right? And so whatever trading system we've developed for ourselves, it does really well for a period of time. You pass an account, and that's usually right around the time when the market goes through that cycle and starts behaving differently. So again, to Mike's point, it makes sense to, you know, slow down when you get funded, because you just went through a period that got the account passed, which means you're due for a change. Hey, look at this. I might be liking a short here.
Oh, I just went long. I was going to target out, then I moved my target up a little bit.
Yeah, well, you'll get your target before I go short. I'm going short right. Come on. Give me a bounce.
I shouldn't move my target up. Son of a biscuit eater. Come on. I want to go check that. I'm out. I'm going to take my 100. I think it gave me 70.
Oh, it didn't give me my entry.
I hit close at $100 and it gave me 70. That is horse crap.
I hate it when that happens.
Oh, well.
It didn't give me my entry. I should just kill this one.
Nikkei's at lunch. I was worried the Kospi might have been crashing down, but it's not. Neither is the HSI.
It didn't give me my entry yet, but my target would be, let me lean over. I don't have a curved monitor.
Pretty nice.
Short target would be down at 460. So that's a nice size target.
Hey, did you get your son's monitor? You get to check that out?
No. Oh, let me text him. Oh, he's 3 hours ahead. I better not. It's getting close to 11. Yeah, I got busy cutting my trees, doing some pruning, and I forgot to go out there to the office.
All right, I added 1 MNQ. So now I'm up to 2. Hopefully, we don't go ahead and come crashing down now. Huh. At least I like that I got a cushion for Friday so far. Knock on wood.
Yeah.
Knock on wood.
Yokozuna, the rapid account is with MFF.
The rapid EOD. Rapid EOD, it's always in the end of the day drawdown. In the funded and eval.
Hey, Trish has got a fun question. What did you guys do with your first payout? Yeah, my first payout ever was a big one from Apex. Pretty big. At the time, for me, that was big. And what did I do with it? I stuck 40% of it into a high yield savings account to pay the taxes on it later that year. The other amount, I don't remember what I did with it.
I don't remember. I didn't do anything. I don't know. I don't know what I did with it.
But ever since then, my other payouts always buy me more accounts. So I use their money to get me more accounts. That's what I've been doing.
You still put some aside for taxes, or?
Oh, yeah. First I do that. I take 40. Actually, I've been doing haven't been very good at that. I've been taking 30%. I probably should be doing 40. But yeah, I set aside the taxes. And then I use the money to actually, my wife and I have been using payouts to pay down our car loans real fast too. We've taken some big chunks out of those loans. Felt good to do that.
Hey, if you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash that like button. 300 likes before 11 o'clock. We're going to be doing that Take Profit Trader account giveaway. We have over 300 people in here now, so no excuses. Just smash it.
Sods, yeah, well, it's not just Trump's tweets. Yes, that adds some excitement, but right now the current regime of the market is flipped on its head. It's not right. So we got negative gamma above us, positive gamma below us, and we got weird theta situations going on. So this is not normal, and so the market's behaving very awkwardly, and this is rare, but it happens.
Did you see that video that T Coop sent?
I didn't. Is it the?
Should watch it. It's pretty good.
The title looks similar to something I already saw from Vol Signals. If that's what.
Oh, that's where it was.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I watch them every day because I use their product. So.
I didn't know you still had. I didn't know you still had theirs.
Yeah. But anyways, yeah, we're in a real rare but odd, perspective from the options side of things. The options kind of drive. The options hedging flow is what drives the markets we trade in the futures market. So they're really awkward right now.
Hey, John, there's a couple different ways you can do martingale, but one of the ways I used to do it where I didn't just keep adding to a trade. So let's say trade number one, I start off with 1 unit. Next trade, I could either do 1 unit again or bump it to 2 units. Then from trade 3 and on, I would double it every time. And then stop at 5. If I got 5 wrong, I was just done. The problem was stopping at 5. And then you keep doubling it, and it gets pretty stupid at some point.
So how does that compare to? So I had a buddy when I was in my early 20s, and he loved to go to the casinos and he'd watch the roulette wheel. He'd just watch it for hours and hours and hours and wait until it landed on the same friggin' color X amount of times in a row, and then he'd start betting, and he'd just double down, knowing that the odds were in his favor that it was going to land on the other color.
Yeah, but it's really not, because a lot of times you get wiped out. So the way the casino combats that is they have table limits. So then you hit the table limit before you get a chance to get your money back. But so I used to go on like cruises and stuff here in Florida and gamble. Once I started trading, I quit gambling.
So the limit, when you say trade or table limit, it's how many times you can double down.
No, the max bet.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
So you can get to a point where the max bet is too high and you can't even even if you win, the max bet
doesn't get back.
Yeah, okay, gotcha. So this must have been, this was, I don't know how long ago. Must have been before that existed or something. I don't know. Or he was fibbing me.
Yeah, markers are boring as heck. Yeah. I'll go to the casino. Hey, we are right now. We're at the casino.
This was a nice little bounce off there. I'm gonna try a short, super tight stop. Let's see.
What the heck? Why you gotta go against my micro trade? I got 2 of these bad boys on. Yeah, don't forget, smash that like button. We got 14 minutes to get that 300 likes so we can do that giveaway. If not, we might do something different. And if we only get 250 likes, hey, we'll do a giveaway, maybe. But it's going to be heavily skewed to where you guys will see, maybe.
Uh-oh, they're ripping it. They're going to stop me. Yeah, I used a tight stop.
Oh, yeah, let's go, baby.
Yeah.
I never doubted you. Get it.
Never doubted you, not once.
Been in this trade forever. I just added to it when we came down these deviation bands down here. I've been sitting in this trade for over an hour, almost 2 hours. No guts, no glory. Come on, get it. I really wanted 615 earlier. It just, every time we get to the VWAP, we get smacked back down. Right here, we overthrew it. Bam, right back down. VWAP, bam, VWAP, bam. So.
What I really want to do is, and hey, anybody in the chat, if you know of one that exists, let me know, because I want to find, so spot gamma and Mentor Q and vol signals. Nobody renders a heat map, like an options driven heat map on the NASDAQ. Nobody does it. And that's what I'm looking for, because I know I'm tired of doing all the translations in my head, and sometimes the ES and the NQ are not correlated, and that messes with me. So I need to find a product out there that builds, you know, like for example, the charm, the gamma, those heat maps on the price chart.
You might just have to build it. You and ChatGPT.
Yeah, I mean, I could build it, but I don't want to have to pay for the data. That's the problem.
Yeah. Well, you can't piggyback off your TOS data?
No, it's not reliable enough.
How much is the data?
And the TOS data doesn't tell you, it doesn't break. You need to pay for the more advanced data that tells you.
Yeah, market maker.
Yeah, exactly.
Interesting.
So, I mean, I prefer the way Vol Signals does it, but they only do the SPX. Same thing with Spot Gamma. I love their heat map, but again, they only do the SPX.
So what's different between Vol Signals and Spot Gamma?
They're pretty darn similar. Pretty darn similar.
Dude, Gex 9.0 on TradingView. No, Ames, you didn't miss it yet. We haven't got 300 likes yet. We got to get them in before 11 o'clock. So we got 11 minutes. I think you guys will get us there. There's a shot.
Gex 9.0. Yeah, but I don't know if they, let me check it out. Do they have like a market maker only positioning and all that stuff? Because that's pretty critical. Because I trade the hedging flow of the dealer, of the market makers. I don't necessarily want to see the volume of, like, you know, retail and hedge funds and all that kind of stuff.
It is. So if Vol Signal have something like the Hero?
No, they don't have that. So their take on that is, look, they don't call out the Hero specifically, of course, because they're a competing company, but their take on that is, if you're watching the dealer hedging flow in real time, you've already missed the trade opportunity because they've already hedged those trades. So that's why they don't display anything like that.
So how do they show it?
They don't show that.
So how do you see it?
You don't. They don't have anything like that. So it's, you know, I personally, I disagree with their take on that. I like to see the hedging flow of, like, I love that Hero indicator.
Yeah.
And sure, I'd like to trade with it. And, you know, you can't really, because it's lagging what transactions already occurred. But
yeah, but when you get it up all day long.
Yeah, then you kind of know, like.
Yeah, you just don't trade every little wiggle in it.
Yeah, exactly.
From what I've seen.
So it's helpful. I mean, I like to have that. That's why I still have Spot Gamma. I just wish they would model the NDX/NQ also. I mean, it's not that difficult to do. And for people that only trade the NQ, that could be pretty powerful information. So
I think just because NASDAQ is such a thinner market.
And also the options side of NASDAQ is not as nowhere near as big, so
Yeah.
they don't waste their time on it. But again, for people that only trade the NQ and the NASDAQ, that it would make sense to model something like that.
Hmm. Did you ever get short?
Yeah, they took me out right away. I had a tiny little stop. I don't want to give back too much of my money.
I keep right back at view app. Now we got a 9 count. It's probably gonna come back down again. I didn't trade any props tonight at all. I'll wait until tomorrow after the news.
Yeah, good. So what was that? What was I had an open tab here. Gex 9 on trading view. Let's see. Whoops, I didn't put the 9.
All right, we got 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Try to get that 300 likes in. Are we going to get it? All right, we can do 300 likes.
I'm not seeing that Gex 9 thing.
We've already had 3,000 people through the stream.
Really?
That's 10%. Yeah.
Yeah, 10% is pretty normal, so I think you'll get it.
We only got 7 minutes.
10% is about what most streams get.
Oh, hey, he said it's called Gear Matrix.
Oh, Gear Matrix?
That's what he said. Oh, he just deleted it.
Oh, Gex Matrix, probably. Let's see.
Been in the penalty box. Yeah, Gex Matrix.
Oh, it's Gex R Matrix. That's what it's called. Oh, I see. Yeah, I'll have to check it out.
What about like what you said deep charts have? Do they have something like that?
Oh, I haven't finished watching their launch event. Jeez, I got to get back to that. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. From the first, 20 minutes that they were only showing the SPY, or I'm sorry, the SPX and ES stuff like everybody else does. But maybe they do have it. I don't know. I got to check that out. I didn't finish watching the launch event.
We got a lot of spoof orders out here tonight.
Yeah, do we?
33 and 3/4 is probably going to be a spoof. NASDAQ, 550, 560, 580. I think they're all going to be spoof.
Huh.
We'll see if we get up there. 50 points on NQ. Nice.
Nice.
No, they're sell orders. The spoof are all sells I see.
Yeah, 402 right above us, and then 216 right up there at 560.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's holding the market down right now.
Well, they moved it up there too. It was lower, and they moved it.
Uh-huh.
They've already moved it once. Yeah, see you later, Raj. Have a good night. Oh, I get frustrated with the market all the time.
Hey, see ya, Chris. Good night.
Yeah, Chris, see you later. Hey, Bob, what's up? Wow, Bob, you're up late. Holy crap.
Hey, Bob.
Holy smokes. Oh, you're still here, Raj? Oh, I thought you were leaving. Thought I seen where it said you were leaving. Or maybe someone said bye, Raj. I thought maybe I missed your comment. Just woke up. I don't know if we're gonna do a giveaway. We still got 22 more likes. And we only got 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes. But we'll see if we get it. If not, we'll run it tomorrow morning. Also, I just gave you 2. Man, I really need this NASDAQ just to pop up. I want to get out of this micro now. I'm like tired of it. I want to already be at my target.
I found something cool.
What was that?
I found something cool.
What is that?
How to tell the our software here to stop auto adjusting my microphone.
I thought you found something for the NASDAQ.
Okay, this might kick me out, but I'll be right back. Hold on.
Man, we're just like stuck. Well, we get right back close to the VWAP. Bam. Regression channel is still sloping downward.
Okay, I'm back. Can you hear me?
Oh, hey, Dollar Steve sent an email too. Let me go check it.
Shoot, do you guys hear me all right? Okay, I think they can hear me. Mike's not hearing me though.
Let me check it real quick. What did I miss?
Yeah, I don't think Mike's hearing me, guys. I think I broke it. Darn it.
Yeah, I'm gonna forward that to Jesse right now. I forwarded it to Jesse. Oh, you hear Jesse? I can't hear him.
Yeah, that's weird.
Hey, you're muted on my screen.
Really?
Yeah. Like, it's not a video, you're muted.
Okay, so you hear me now, though. All right,
yeah,
good.
everyone's like, oh, I hear both of you guys. I'm like, what are you talking about? I'm out in the dark.
Sorry, I had to leave and come back because I found a setting where it'll tell it not to auto adjust my mic level. So I think we should be good moving forward now. So good. All right, that's fixed. I can close that.
John was watching me back in 2021.
Wow.
That's probably right when I started streaming at night. Because there's a 3-year period I didn't do no videos, nothing.
Oh, really?
Oh. Uh-oh. I don't think we didn't get it. 283 likes.
Oh, boy.
Oh, boy. I think people just have too much money right now. They don't want a free account. Jeez. A lucky little lucky like button. All right, let's see if we're going to push up. I'm up almost 150 on this trade.
Nice. How many micros you got on there?
Just 2. I just added 1 down here at these deviation bands down here. I've been in this thing for over 2 hours, I think. At least it feels like it. Yeah, because I was in it down over here. On that run, that was around 920. I was for sure in it. Think we're going up? We might. Well, hey, let's go look at the Nikkei is going to come back online here in a half hour. Kospi's down 51. HSI is only down 3. Oh, buddy, let's go. Let's get it. We got to clear that VWAP. Look, we had the push up. We have the consolidation. Let me do it on this chart. Look, big push up, consolidation. Can we get this bull flag resolved to the upside? Hopefully. Sure hope so, but we'll see. We'll find out.
Yeah, it's been sideways because we got that news tomorrow.
Yep. That's why I didn't trade the props. What will happen? I'll be in a micro trade looking for a bigger move. And then I'll be up on it. By the time I wake up, I'll be slightly down. News comes out. I have to get out. And then the sucker goes and hits my target. And it gets me frustrated. So it's like, I don't want that on a Friday. All right, let's get it.
Are they going to take those 400 contracts? No way. They're trying.
Now they're going to pull it. Watch. They're going to pull it. Yeah. Maybe. It's really weird. Wow. That's really messed up. Huh. My stream deck just literally shut off.
Really?
It came back up. Yeah. Wonder why. Oh no, that's weird. I wonder if that. Can't remember if I have the camera hooked into the dock or not. No, it's not. It's not Ninja. Cause it messed up my camera too. Ninja wouldn't mess with that. The new version of Ninja's been solid.
Yeah, I agree.
It's been good. Hey, the FVG indicator don't disappear anymore. Hey, does yours go away?
Nope. It's all good.
Yeah, so you can see we do have an FVG up here though. Right. What, 27 up here to about 642. 627 and 642. Oof. Why don't we just blast up there real quick? Let's get it. Regression channel just now started sloping up on the 1 minute. Slight slope up. Can we get it? Locked all your accounts? I used the lockout feature the other day.
Oh, let me get back to spot gamma. Whoops, wrong place.
Oh, hey, Dollar Steve sent me 2 emails I forwarded to you.
Oh, did you? Okay, sweet. Thank you.
For the
Dollar
gamma
Steve.
stuff.
All right, awesome. I'll check it out.
Yeah. FOMO is real. I suffer from FOMO. I don't usually have a fear of placing a trade. It's I don't want to miss out. I really hope we bounce here. Keep going.
Yeah, I mean, they haven't pulled that 400 yet, or the 200, or the 100.
No, they moved the one. No, they moved the one. Look, we have 202, then 102 now. Look, you can see the little line. Look.
Yeah, it moved down a tiny bit, and then there's another 102 up there at 580. Man, that's a lot of contracts to chew through at nighttime on the NQ.
Hey, they messed up my stuff. Huh. My stream deck thing's all jacked up when it reset.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the one button.
Ooh, they're going to try to get it.
Change colors.
They're going to try to eat into those contracts. That's crazy.
Hey, just did it again.
Really?
Yeah, it just cut out. That's weird. I gotta fix that after the stream. I don't think they're gonna get it. I think they're gonna pull that order. I'm betting they're gonna pull it. They're gonna pull it. Maybe we go down a little bit and they pull it. Ah, we got them. I think they're gonna pull it though. And I've even lowered my standards. If I can get $200 on this trade, I'll just close it.
Yeah, why not?
That's what I was going for with one contract. So a little bit more. Come on, let's get it. That'd be around 52, which would be over that 400 strike price.
Boy, if that 400 orders is legit and these people are buying right here without knowing that's there, I feel bad for them because they're going to get run over.
Hey, Apple, I'll send you a video here in a second. I got a pretty fun video I want to make this weekend. I'm pretty excited about it.
Oh, yeah?
I don't know if I'll get a lot of views on it, but I think it'll be a fun video to make.
Can we get a little sneak preview of what it's gonna? Oh, come on.
I don't want to give it up.
Oh, come on, I want to see what happens with that 401 orders.
They're gonna pull it.
You'd think they already would have, though. We're pretty darn close. Huh. Oh. They're trying to push into it.
Oh, boy.
Oh, my gosh.
I was making sure this is the right video to give to Apple. Hey, Apple, there's the video. You're not going to get it. You're going to pull it. Maybe not. I think so.
I mean, it got within a couple points.
They're going to pull it.
You think?
I don't know. I hope so. Hope they pull it and we just go, I'll hit close. Yeah, this micro trade. They're trying to push into it again. Man, it's close. They're not pulling it. So here's what Jesse's. Our stream deck's all jacked up. Here's what Jesse's talking about. Right here. Are we gonna be able to take it? Hey Bob, I love them. The monitors are amazing. Let's see if they're going to take that order. Hopefully they do. I want to see a big blast off so I can exit this trade. Exit this micro I've been in, or two micros I've been in forever. The second one I added down here though. I've only been in that one for 30 minutes. Hey Bob, I will soon I get a chance to hide all the cables. I'm gonna do that this weekend. Yeah, I've been long for a while. Over, I don't know, let's see. So I added one there. Yeah, I first put the trade on here. Look, went long earlier tonight. Made a little bit on that one. Got long again at like 840 something. So I've been sitting in this trade since 840 and I just added to it down here. Oh, over 2 hours, about 2.5 hours in. They really don't want to take that order.
No, man, it would take a lot of buying to break through there. I don't know. We just don't have the volume.
Tell you, they're gonna pull it. They're just waiting until we get a little bit closer.
I mean, they were risking it because we got pretty darn close, within a couple points.
Hey, we'll know if we get up there. So hey, if we go to 550, all we gotta do is see, do we see a huge delta? Yeah, I got the EBGBs. Delta spike up here on this chart. Down here at the bottom, we'll see a big delta spike if they take it.
Yeah, it'd be a huge one for sure.
It should be about 400 on the delta. They take all the orders, should be about 400. Right now, the algo's like, you know, is that really a seller up there? Do we really want to go up there and test them?
Just trying to decide what to do with this.
Tell them just blast through it and let's see if they're real. They need to push through it so I can get out around 55. That's the goal. Get out at 55. 55. Take my monies and run.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Hey, when we get off the stream, I'm gonna go watch the rest of that Deep Charts their Gamma product launch, because I definitely want to see that. Because if they build that out on the chart for NQ also, I might have to do it. I'm gonna check out that Gexer thing too, and the emails. So I got a lot to look at.
Come on, Joker.
What's it doing?
It's going down. You don't hear it?
Oh yeah, I hear a little bit.
Kospi's going down a little bit, not much. HSI is up. Nikkei is still at lunch.
Good night, Raj.
Have a good night, Raj. Hopefully I'll see you in the morning. I got loud?
Yeah, for a moment there, but it calmed back down.
I did?
Yeah, something happened. I think your stream deck rebooted again.
No, it usually goes doo-doo-doo. It does some music.
Yeah, because something changed on your end and then it went back to normal.
Maybe that was all the excitement I was about to get out of this trade. Huh. I wonder. Interesting. Louder cannot spell.
Oh, Bob's saying it's still louder on the stream. It is, but on our connection, you're back to normal for me.
Am I still loud for you guys? I'll turn the fader down a little bit. Whoa. Oh yeah, I can clip almost. I don't know what's going on.
Something's going on. Mike's got himself a little virus action on that computer of his.
Woo! It's like all jacked up, ready for tomorrow's news. It's like, let's go, let's go, let's go. What's weird is I don't know, about once a month, the volume will either be really low, I gotta turn it up on the mixer, or really, really loud where it's clipping in the videos. Like,
Hey, Coop, appreciate it. Hey, Coop, the videos you're sending, that's the vol signal stuff, right? If so, I watch that stuff every day already. So, but thank you, appreciate it. Ooh, they're trying to buy again. Let's see, are they gonna do it?
they'll get it. Oh, you know what? I wonder if
they didn't pull that stuff yet. Man, 405 orders sitting there. Woo-wee.
That one scene I got messed up inputs. I wonder if that jacked up my volume. Nope. $400 is ICT. Oh boy. He's out here slaying out here in Asia. Oh, we have NFP coming out tomorrow. Non-farm payrolls. Let's go look it up real quick. I get the exact. We have average hourly earnings coming out. Yeah, non-farm employment change, average hourly earnings, and the unemployment rate, all at 8:30. So this is considered a tier 1 news event. So if you are trading with a prop firm, be well aware of it.
Yeah, what time is that? Sorry, 8:30?
Yep.
Yeah, I definitely can't pay any trades. Well, that's 5:30 my time. I better be asleep.
No, you can. You can. Hey, with Lucid, you can be in a trade.
Oh.
Just not the Lucid daily.
Oh, okay.
Now, Lucid Live, maybe not, but Lucid Sim Funded, yes.
Bob is short from 545.
So Bob's the one that pushed it down on me.
Oh, Bob.
I'll send Bob an invoice if I lose on this trade. Yeah, Apple, can you send me an email? We're back down near the lower regression channel. But we're not by the deviation band, so I don't want to add to it. Hey, Bob, how many did you have on? Five. Interesting. I've been in this trade for so long too. I should have got out VWAP. VWAP's been rejecting price for a while now.
It has. I really wanted to see what was going to happen with those 400 contracts, darn it.
They're going to pull it. That's what was going to happen. Yeah, noise is market pulse. See, this is the problem I have. I don't know where my meter. Oh, there it is. So the meter right here, if it gets above 81, you hear a ticking, clicking noise, chirping. We get below 81, you hear a knocking noise. It's the aggression of the buyers and sellers. I had the threshold set at 81. That's purely adjustable. I can make it more sensitive, less sensitive. There you go. You can see right now. Wow, we're at 99 right now. All right, hold on. I might get ready to trade this. Might scalp the NQ again. We're below the regression channel.
I think I'm looking for a long two here. Oh, shoot. I missed my perfect entry. I'm going to sit on my hands for a second. Good thing I did.
Let's see if we can get a little bouncy bounce. Give me
nice, Bob. Good.
Yeah, good job, Bob. Bob boomed my trade out of here. Nikkei opens up in 10 minutes. Come on, jokers. I closed it. Closed it.
Yeah, they just dropped below my regression channel here on the big Renkos.
We already get back in though.
Yeah, me too. I like the location.
I mean, I like it better if we're in the deviation bands, but
yeah, we're not quite down to the 2.51. I don't even have the 1 on my chart. I only have
I don't have 1 on this chart. I just have 2 and 3.
Yeah, I've got 2.51 through 3. That's my shaded area. I'm going to run it like that because the chat was talking about that. I forgot exactly who.
Oh, 9 count in the 1 minute. Let's hope that pushes it up here. If I hit my target, it'll put me at session highs, but
I'm rooting for you.
I stopped out of the other one before I hit my stop loss.
I'm at 1923 on both accounts, so I'm probably done for the night.
1900?
Yeah.
Oh.
I
Good
probably
deal.
won't even. I'm not even going to trade the funded tomorrow. Only the eval.
I don't know if I believe that.
Yeah.
Because you said, we're driving home. Hey, guys, we're driving home. I'm driving back from eFoil, and I'm talking to Jesse. He's like, yeah, I'm done with that account. And I'm talking to him. He's like, all right, go. I was like, what are you doing? He goes, oh, I'm in a trade. I said, I thought you were just out. Yeah, I am. I said, oh, how much you up for the day? Oh, I'm up 200 or whatever he was. I said, I thought you weren't trading that account. Yeah. And he just told me like not even 5 minutes earlier. Yeah, I'm not going to trade the new funded account. I'm only going to trade the new eval. And then he says he's only up 200 for the day. I'm like, 200. I was like, you said you just told me you're up 1,000 or something earlier. Like, what's going on? He's like, no, that's the funded account.
Yeah, and then so what I did is I turned off Replicanto and traded only the eval for a while. But then I was feeling the market, so I turned it back on, Mike, and I did $1,200 on both accounts.
I mean, it worked out for you today, but
yeah,
it's when it doesn't
I know
that you got rewarded for the bad behavior, and it reinforces to keep doing it.
Hey, Bob, no, you got to look at that differently. If you were trading a mini at a time like I am, you'd be up $4,300. So you've kicked my butt. Your trading's better than mine. You've doubled me, my friend. Let's
on Joker go up.
Actually, you know what? Maybe what I'll do is I'll turn off. Yeah, let's do that now. We'll turn off Replicanto, and we won't trade the sim account. We'll go straight to the eval. There we go. And we're long. Let's go. I'm going to try to target VWAP. Dang, 490 people here. Hit that like button, everybody.
Yeah, look, and we still don't have 300 likes.
Yeah, what's going on, folks? Come
Slackers.
on.
Come on, just hit my
get
target.
Get it. Go, go, go.
Just gonna get stage fright.
Blow on it.
Oh, get up there.
Yeah, that was a good call out there, Bob. What's up, John? Good to see you.
Yeah, what's up, John? Hey, Bob, can you do your micro trick to make the market go up now?
Yeah.
I like the location. 9 count, low regression channel, just not getting the love with it yet. We have 5 minutes till Nikkei opens back up. I do want to go check on the overseas markets real quick. Osby down 77, HSI up 9.
Value area low not been tested yet, John says. Let me pull up that chart. I haven't even been paying attention.
There we go. All right, that put me at new session highs for the night. Not by much. Thankfully, I stopped out of the last trade early. So.
Good. Nice. Hey, John, you talking about value area low from the regular trading hours? Because we have tested that tonight.
Yeah, I was going to say we tested it. To
Tonight's
tick.
value area
Almost
low. We
T.
tested that too. We've been below it. Yeah. So I'm confused, John. Well, we got some.
Maybe it means yes.
We got a big old
Yes, that's too.
bullish FVG below us, way down there, and then we got 2 big red ones way up above us too.
My stupid micro trades in the red now. Oh, he's using Tradeovate charts.
Oh, okay. Yeah, John, it barely wicked it, but we got there. And then we bounced up.
should have got it. I was up 150 and I was hoping for like 200 or something.
It'll get back up there. Look at this range we've been in. It's just playing the range.
Yeah, what, another 3 hours?
Add another one and then still take your 150.
You're assuming it goes up.
Yeah.
I have one more goes poosh. Yeah, I don't know if I want to add one here. Because this adds worse than the last one, so.
Yeah, so it pulls your average up.
Appeared on the regression channel, Brad is 55. The width is 3. Yeah, we didn't do it by 11 o'clock. I'm getting ready to get off the stream. We're not going to have time to do it now. So we'll try to do the giveaway in the morning. Hopefully.
Ooh, meatloaf and mashed potatoes. Dang, that's one of my favorite meals.
Really? My wife cooks good meatloaf.
Mm-hmm.
She's a good cook in general, but
I like it when it's got extra ketchup on the top that gets a little bit burnt in the oven when you uncover it the last, 10 minutes. Ooh-wee.
she has to cook 2 separate ones.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't want that stuff on mine.
Yeah.
So she literally makes 2. When she cooks meatloaf, she makes 2.
That's funny.
So I'm a picky eater, so.
Man, you got me hungry now. I'm going to go get me something. What's up, Bills, Nick? Hey, there's a little push. Are you still in that long?
Yeah.
Oh, no, you took that long.
No.
Right.
Yeah. On the NQ, I'm out. I'm still in the MNQ.
Yeah.
Been in this thing since 8:40. I'm going on 3 hours.
Woo.
I'm getting bored with the trade at this point. Yeah, I knew it. I should have took it, but I was like, nah, we'll go up there maybe. Nope.
It's going to get back up the top of that range again. I mean, it's got to.
Yeah, after I get out. Watch, I'll get out. They'll say, we got a peace deal.
Oh,
the
man.
moment I get out, Trump will come out and tweet, peace deal any minute. So within the next couple hours on what, Monday or Tuesday or Sunday, whatever that was. I don't remember.
Come on, get up there. Don't be a bunch of sissies. Let's go.
They're scared.
Uh-huh.
Oh. Hey, Apple, I just saw your email. I got sidetracked. Let me
Crazy Trade says no peace deals coming. I tend to agree with you. I think someone's going to have to get wiped off the map, unfortunately. And now these Houthis messing with Saudi Arabia. I mean, geez, Louise. Could things get any worse over there?
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to have to watch the Enforcer channel tonight when we get off the stream. See what those guys are talking about. Yeah, the market might not care, huh, John? I think the market's kind of over it. Yeah, Miss K, I agree. I need some of that meatloaf too, and the mashed taters. Come on, push. Push. I'm getting ready to close this trade. I'm up almost 300 on it. Come on. Oh, get up there. Come on. Get.
What the
It
Lord?
needs a swift kick in the butt is what it needs.
Hmm. Trying to answer Apple's email. I don't remember.
So Yoda says there's a 5 daily moving average. Is that what you're talking about, Yoda, down there? Is that what we keep bouncing off of? Oh, come on, NQ. Boy, it really slowed down.
Oh, trust me, I've been in it all night.
Somebody give this thing a kick in the butt.
Well, I don't know where it's going to pop up. I don't understand why it does this.
Yeah, daily moving average. All right, Yoda, I gotcha. Oh, there's the pop. Okay, I'm closing it. $400. I'm out. Woohoo!
Sim or you're funded?
Just the sim or the eval. So now I'm up
Yeah.
2265.
Nice. How much more do you got to pass?
So that accounts at 154,523. So it's halfway there exactly
Nice.
in one day. So I passed the other one earlier today, and now I've got that one halfway. So let's go. What's up, poor guy? Good to see you.
I want a little bit more out of this.
It'll go. I got out prematurely.
I'm getting
It wants VWAP probably. The question is, how many more hours do you want to sit here, right?
Yeah, I was gonna get off here shortly.
Yeah, it's pretty late. 11:30.
I'm trying to wait and see how this trade's gonna finish up.
I know. And I want to see that. Oh, they moved that 400 down. I didn't notice that till right now.
I told you it's a spoof for it. They're just trying to. I'm telling you, they're gonna pull it.
They moved that 105 even lower.
They're gonna pull it.
We could probably take the 100, but we ain't gonna be able to take 400 contracts.
We might.
Just woke up. It's 9 a.m. in India. All right. Good morning. What's up, Stay Broke? I'm doing good. How about you? I'm starving, though. As soon as we get off here, I'm going to go make me a big old salad with ranch. Mm-mm.
They said it was gonna go up.
Mole, 900 for the night. Good job.
Yeah,
Sweet.
good deal.
It's going to go up. They're just testing people's patience.
Yeah, mine. Look, I'm back red.
Hey, just look to the left, like 3 swings to the left. Look at that price action. Same thing happened. Yeah, all it wants to do is repeat history. It's going to be a slow grind up, and then you got to close it because it's going to be a fast drop back down.
No, you said, hold on, we're going to the moon, baby. I was like, are you sure? You said, yes, guaranteed.
I don't know who the heck you were talking to.
You said, what could go wrong?
Cheryl's got 300. Nice.
Like, I should have took it while I was up there. I would have took it and I would have said, all right, good night, everybody. They're trying to get me tired for NFP tomorrow. That's what the market's doing. It's trying to wear me out tonight so it can smack my butt tomorrow. Spank me, be like, bam, give me my money back.
Just attach a target to VWAP and go to bed.
I thought about that, actually.
Yeah, that way it'll just close it as soon as it gets there and you're good.
No, I want to see resolution on the stream so everybody knows where it's at. I don't want to worry about it tonight.
Okay.
Because if I have it on, I'm going to end up staging other orders down lower. And then my mind's going to be racing. Like, how many contracts do I have now? We have big news coming out tomorrow. How bad is this going to suck?
Yeah.
So, oh, hey, Nikkei should be back open. I want to go see that real quick. Mr. Nikkei, where you at? Nikkei's coming back.
Oh, that's what happened. That's that dropout right there.
No, Nikkei's going up. No, it's going up. Cosby's trying to bounce.
Okay, NQ trying to bounce again. Come on.
What about more than 2,000? Yeah, probably. Stay broke, probably. Hey, initially I was initially going to get out for roughly $100. Then it started going up. I'm like, I'm going to try to get out 615, get $200. Then I added to it. Said, I'll try to get $200. Got 150-ish. Bam. And I'm just stuck.
Just trying to grind back up there.
I don't know about that. I'm getting ready. Hey, Frank, I'm getting ready to get off. We didn't get the likes by 11 o'clock. I didn't plan on staying on this late. To do the giveaway, I'll have to be up another, I don't know. And so I'm just waiting until I'm out of this trade and I'm jumping off the stream. Yeah, I'm definitely not doing London tonight. I am going to do London, John, at some point. Get my monitor set up. I want some revenge. Revenge of the London.
Oh, hey, John, you missed my story earlier probably, but I got my first London trade in. When was that? Last night? No. The night before.
Nah, hey, John, I'm serious. It's just not going to happen tonight. It's going to be planned out.
Yeah, something like that you got to plan for sure, huh?
I went E4 today too. It makes me tired. Like, I'm pretty tired, which I don't understand how it wears me out so much, but I seen that dolphin today. It scared the crap out of me. I was literally cruising down the beach get away from jet skis for a little bit. And me and my daughter go around these one boats and it's like a little sandbar thing. I go by, cruising down there. There's a couple people on the beach. I see them looking. They're pointing. I thought they were pointing at my EFOL, because a lot of people see it out of the water and they're like, what the heck is that? And then next thing I know, here comes this dolphin, just rolls like that. Doesn't jump out of the water, just rolls maybe 10 feet away. So then I realized what they're pointing at. So then I go to turn and there's another dolphin out there. I'm like, oh, great. I'm going to hit one of those. I'm going to make them mad and then they're going to bite me.
Dolphins are peaceful.
Yeah. Well, I keep thinking about the show my friend said, When Dolphins Attack.
Yeah. The good news is if there's dolphins around, there ain't no, great whites around. So.
Well, I'm not worried about the great whites. We don't have great whites where I was at. If I see any great white, I die of a heart attack. I don't have to worry about getting bit. Start seizing up.
Yeah. Hey, John, I was awake. Yeah. So my family had to wake me up because I had to drive to the San Francisco airport. And we were planning on leaving at 1 a.m., but we left at 2 a.m. because I was dead tired. But anyways, when it woke me up, I just gave my mouse a little wiggle just to see the screens. And NQ was ripping around. I was like, oh, yeah, London. I get to trade London. So I put on a trade, made $50 and called it good.
Hey, you said you're going to stream London with me, right?
No, absolutely not. I was so tired, man. So drove to San Francisco, got everybody in the airport and everything, got back. Right as I was pulling in the driveway and getting out of the car is when my phone popped up with the notification that Mike started his morning stream. I hadn't slept. I had that little cat nap, and that was it.
Hey, so what's more important, coming to the stream or taking a nap?
Oh, I tuned in and hit like, and then I fell asleep.
Oh, so the stream was so good it put you to sleep.
No, well, I hadn't had any sleep. I haven't pulled an all-nighter like that since I was like in my early 20s. That was crazy.
You know, I don't mind. I mean, I don't like sharks, but I've seen my fair share of sharks. But if I seen a big old great white, I'd start seasoning up. Oh, hey, I had a manatee. Hey, I had a manatee swim underneath my board at Sebastian Inlet too. I was in the water. I was talking to my friend, sitting there. I see a dark shadow. I'm like, then I realized it was a manatee. That joker went whoosh with his tail and pushed so much water. It pushed me away. I was like, holy crap. Scared the crap out of me.
Those guys are pretty big, huh?
Yeah, like his tail was huge. Like it was a big manatee. I was like, wow. Wasn't scared of him biting me, but it was freaking huge. And then recently I was e-foiling. The other time I seen dolphins, and then there was a manatee. I seen something up in the water. Like, what is that? And then I seen the back of the manatee come up. I was like, I fell off. And then his tail went whoosh, made a big splash in the water. People on the beach are like, you can hear that? I think they thought I was getting attacked. And then that freaked me out even more.
Man.
But I couldn't get back on that board quick enough. Even once I knew it was a manatee, just hearing the people on the beach, what they did, I was like, it's not a manatee, it's something else. But I mean, that joker scared the crap out of me. That was early in the morning too. Today I was e-foiling with the dolphins. I was so mad I left my camera here. God, that made me mad. Let's go record today. Would have been a good day for it too. They're gonna hang me in this trade all night.
Jeez.
Minnesota Key. Yeah, they won't hurt you. They just eat grass, I think. Yeah, so the dolphin today was like, the first dolphin was like 10 feet in front of me. 10 feet like to the right, like kitty corner, like right here. It didn't jump out of the water. It just did like a roll like this. But the first thing I seen was the fin. And I was like, it's a dolphin. And I was very pleased it was a dolphin, not a shark.
I bet.
Hey, I've been surfing and having the dolphins swim in the waves with me. Like, they're riding the waves with me and stuff. Pretty fun. That's when my friend told me, you know, dolphins bite. I was like, no, they don't. You've never seen that show When Dolphins Attack? I said, nope, and I'm not watching it.
I've never even seen that.
I haven't either. I don't want to see it. Because in my mind, when I see dolphins and I'm surfing, I'm like, there's no sharks around.
Yeah, because you think of them as just playful, gentle, kind of, you know. They're trying to buy it back up now. Let's see.
No, I'm going to get out. I'm going to get out and this sucker's going to rip. I'm going to go to bed mad. I already see it happening. Jokers. Tomorrow's Friday. I have a pretty good cushion for tomorrow. Once they don't do anything stupid, but. Golly.
It's like short-lived little rips.
You know, I would like to see it on camera today when I launched the whole board out of the water today.
Yeah, that would have been fun to watch.
Like I was like working on pumping it, like pumping the board. My hand, I slipped or something. I lost my balance. When I lost my balance, I squeezed the trigger. Woo! Up 800 since noon. Nice. Hey, good job on that, Bob. This is ridiculous. So ridiculous. Where's the ES at? ES down 5 points. Hey, Jesse, what do you think? You think the ES is gonna sweep the 7,700 tomorrow?
Hey, it's funny. I'm connected to Lucid, right? Not my live TPT data.
Yeah.
And mine shows that the NQ is down 1.75 points and the ES is down 2 points. I mean,
well, here, we'll do a little safety check, a little check. I'll verify it with, let's see, trading view. So ES. So ES 5.5. That's why it matches my Ninja. Let's see NQ. NQ up 11. I'm up 11. So it matches my Ninja.
why is my data so messed up?
Hey, we'll do a triple check. I'll go Thinkorswim. Yeah, Thinkorswim 5 points. ES down 5 points right now. NQ up 17. Yep. So hey, Thinkorswim and TradingView and my Ninja all match.
I don't get it. I mean, obviously there's a setting in mine somewhere that's messing that up.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. Hey, I'm back in the green. Should I take it?
I wouldn't. I'd wait. I'd hold out for VWAP, me personally.
No, probably not.
But you're 3 hours later in the night than I am.
Yeah, it's what time is it there? Almost 9?
Yeah.
It's almost midnight here.
Yeah. Oh, they moved the 400 down again? Hold on, let me go check it out.
Yep, they did. Oh, and then they pulled it.
Oh, and then they moved it back up. Oh, they pulled it. Yeah.
I told you, it's just spoofers. I told you.
Oh, they moved
it. Them a mile away.
They split it up. Now there's 304 up there.
Yeah, it's just,
105,
they're just playing games. They're playing games.
Trying to push it down.
If they'll let me out for $43, I'll take it.
$43.
Put me nice around 1,500. I'll show back. 42.50. Take it or leave it. I'm like, I'll leave it. I wake up in the morning with tears in my eyes. It's not fair. Oh, buddy. I think I'm getting ready to get out. Come on, just squeeze a little bit more. Are you going to trade right now?
No, just watching.
I mean, it's a good time. It's a good time to full port, I heard.
I
mean, what could go wrong? Look how slow it's moving. So you just pick up a couple ticks here, a couple ticks there. You go full port. Trump will come out with a tweet. He'll get up to use the bathroom. He'll be sitting on the toilet and say, let me go put a good tweet out real quick. Bam. See if this will move the markets. He'll get up, go sit on the toilet. Barron says, Dad, I need your help. Oh, man. God, I should have took the 150. I should have took it. All right, here's the $1 million question. How long before it hits my target?
Yeah, who knows?
Man, that news market really moved the markets. You can tell overnight just how much the markets are waiting for that news. So, hey, over the weekend, you got to worry about, hey, is the U.S. going to start ramping up strikes again once the market's closed? 4 o'clock tomorrow? I've seen 40. I saw 40.
Oh, let's get 43.
It's like we can't get above this regression channel. Golly. I'm gonna get out once I'm up $43. Rule number 1, don't trade your P&L, and I'm doing it. But rules are meant to be broken.
Especially for $43.
Well, I wanted 200. I wanted 200. Then I was like, all right, if we get back to 150, I'll take that. Now I'm just like, give me $43. You son of a.
And it won't even give you a 43.
It's like, hey, we gave you 40. We gave you a shot. You didn't want a deal. I do want to go look at the Nikkei and stuff. Make sure they're not dumping. Nikkei trying to go back down.
Yoda says TTD after hours earnings 13 used to be 1040 at its peak. No, I don't even. No, I didn't.
I didn't know. I hear him knocking. Like, don't you wish you got out, sucker? Regression channel is sloping downward too. Wish I could just grab those spoof orders on the Bookmap and just move them below price. Get them to go ahead and spoof that market up here for me a little bit. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to full port this trade just to get my $40. No, I gotta get that thought out of my head. Yeah, around 2 a.m. Yeah, it might. That'll suck. I don't want to go back too, but it could happen. Just want to get up there. I don't know. I don't know if we're going to get big movements before. Hey, so we've had a 143 point range on the NASDAQ, 16 point range on the ES. Joker. Well, I'm getting $43 the wrong way here in a moment. My Stream Deck just jacked up
again.
Yeah, I wonder if
it has something to do with the USB kind of daisy chaining situation you had.
I know. I took it and actually plugged it into that. I don't remember where the camera is too.
Well, it's something's pulling too much power, probably.
Interesting.
Come on.
It no longer works.
Let's get the 43. Okay. All right. Yes.